eat this up.
Down to the final 3. Here we go. My arm's kind of burning over here.
Womp womp.
Did she womp me? I hate womp.
I hope someone else fails so I can go again.
We're so proud of you, kid. Think you can do this?
Of course I'm going to cry. We're always proud of you no matter what. Just go out and have fun.
Hey Dad, where was my motivational speech before I went? Oh, you got the Salish? No, you were like, you know what, let's make Salish the tester.
Moving on. For a chance for the finals. Will number 8 be able to solidify her place in the finals?
You got this, baby. Do what you always do. Be positive.
Come here, have fun. Okay, that's it.
Remember to have fun. Be the little beast that you always are. Love you.
We're cooked.
You can tap the hoop, but if you knock it out of my hand, it doesn't count.
Let's go, number 8. You got it.
Way to go! She's moving to the finals!
Okay, number 8, I see you.
Number 8 barely tapped the hoop, but it didn't get knocked out of my hand, so she's moving on to the finals.
11 and 12 both failed the ring dive, so they'll compete to determine who gets to move on to the final round against number 8.
Sudden death to figure out who goes to the championship round. 11 versus 12. Rope climb. First one to touch the wood wins. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, this is so, oh my God, this is so close. This is so close. Wins it by a hair. Oh!
Oh, so good.
11.
Good job, 12.
Wow, that was insanely strong. Yeah. Great effort. You're going to be a star. You already are. Way to go. Final challenge. Are you ready? We are playing a game of stick it on the dot. Use the bar for a dismount. Land on the mat. The person closest to the dot wins $5,000. You each get 1 chance. Are you ready? Good luck. I've been rooting for you the whole time. I've been rooting for you too. Happy birthday. Okay, for $5,000, you each get 1 chance. Are you ready? Okay, now before you start, I have one final offer for you. You can choose to split the prize money right now, $2,500 each, and not do this challenge. Which would you like to do? Do you want to split it, or do you each want to try to win?
This is an impossible choice. $2,500 for sure, or risk it all for a chance to win $5,000. They have to choose together what they want to do.
I think we're just gonna go shoot for the 5,000.
You're going for it? You don't want to split it? Oh, okay.
Now is the time we've all been waiting for. After an entire day going through highs and lows, 8 and 12 have proven over and over that they deserve their places here.
Only one of them is going to win this $5,000. The other one is going home with nothing. Between 8 and 12, who do you think is going to win? They're both
I
excellent.
don't know, they're both really good.
8 is getting ready.
But let's give it up for number 8. You are so talented. I'm so sorry that you didn't win, but you absolutely destroyed this day. So congratulations. Yeah!
That was such a good competition. Congratulations. Here's your $5,000.
$5,000.
Oh, wait.
Today, my daughter Salish and 5 of her friends are competing to see who's better, boys or girls. Things are gonna get really personal.
Have you ever kissed any boy?
Are you dating anyone?
What? What'd you say?
Salish.
Today we are finally gonna find out who is better, boys or girls. First skill is teamwork. You'll have to work together to get out of the box.
What are we doing here?
How are we supposed to get out of here?
1, 2, 3, go!
Okay, guys, we just need to use our nails. I don't have nails.
I have an idea.
I'm gonna be watching everything they do inside their boxes on this monitor.
On 3, we're gonna take a deep breath and expand.
That's a good idea. Let's do it.
Come on, guys, look it.
All right, let's do it.
1.
All right, boys got out of the tape. What? The girls got
it. Okay, there.
They both got out of the tape at the same time. Are you kidding? Okay, now you guys gotta get the keys and unlock the doors.
Shoulders. Yeah.
We just throw you up. Okay, all right. Okay.
Holy.
This is super close. The guys have a definite advantage. Oh, it's already. Girls, you go. Oh, they both did it.
All right, go.
I got it.
This is gonna all come down to which team can work together and find the key to get themselves out the door.
This one. No, it's the other one.
Let's get one of the black ones. Try that.
The blue one. Oh, the silver. No, they're all silver.
No, it's not that one. It has to be. Try this one.
It's not the black one.
It's not that one.
Come on. They're gonna beat us.
Oh my God.
Did we get it? Let's go. That was so easy, Jordan. You're gonna have to do better than that.
The boys will need to be careful with what they ask for because every challenge gets more and more out of control, starting with the next challenge.
You gotta join the girls in their room. Bye-bye, nice and tight. Who's better, boys or girls? That's actually a really difficult question to answer, but with these 7 challenges, we're gonna do our best to find out.
What are we doing?
The challenge is patience. You guys just hang out, and when somebody leaves, that team loses. The boys think they're better, and the girls think they're better, but whoever wins this competition is gonna find out what's in this mystery box, and it's gonna be for them.
Oh, this is light work.
You have no patience. You're like jumping off the walls every second.
They think it's easy right now, but just wait. We have some fun challenges to make it a little bit harder.
Starting with a special visit from
Tsunami's brother, Diesel.
Diesel!
Oh, I don't think you're gonna be screaming for him for long.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Hey, stop! No, whoa. Okay. Well, that didn't work. I guess we're gonna have to make it even harder. Oh my God. Let's see how you like being in a tiny room
Okay, that's enough. You're gonna crunch us.
with a screaming baby. Anybody want to come out?
No.
It's not even loud.
Both teams are really impressing me with their patience, but
I've got a different idea now. If you want to come out, you can have whatever is in this briefcase.
What's in it?
You know what people usually have in suitcases?
Is it good though?
It's kind of tempting.
Look at Jordan's face. Look at Jordan's face.
Okay, you're right.
There's nothing in that suitcase.
All right, there's nothing in it?
I don't believe it. No way.
Now it's too late.
Oh my God. Are you serious?
Next time you see this briefcase, you might want to jump at the opportunity. That's all I'm saying.
and if $1,000 isn't enough to get them to leave, I have no choice but to use my secret weapon.
Rowan has been outside for the last 45 minutes sprinting. He's not wearing any deodorant.
I'm leaving.
We're gone. Salish!
Everybody say hi to Rowan.
Oh my God! That's
I
nasty.
think it's water, but just in case.
It's locked. Yeah. Help.
So far, boys have more teamwork and more patience than girls.
No.
All that proved was they have no hygiene.
That's a good point.
You stink, bro.
We are going to find out who's stronger, boys or girls. What do you think? We are going to do a handstand competition. The last team with somebody in a handstand wins a point. However, Kato has an injured shoulder, so you're not allowed to go. You are automatically eliminated from this. Go. Tsunami, to make it fair, you go. All right, now it is 2-on-2. James and Jensen, Salish and Eliana.
That's right.
Hold a handstand. Last person holding it wins the point for their team. You think you're stronger because they're girls, don't you?
Oh yeah, we got this. This is easy.
Oh, please win this one.
I think we might win.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh, he's already down, James. Okay, Jensen is holding it. Salish and Eliana are holding it. Oh, it's gonna be Jensen versus Salish and Eliana. How you feeling?
I'm great.
Eliana, do not let your boyfriend beat you. Jensen is holding it by himself. Hold it all. You're
My
shaking.
knee is really itchy,
Salish,
Dad.
do not hit your knee. Girls, lock in. Lock in.
Come on, Jensen.
Hold it, Salish. Do not let go. No, Delia, Salish. Hold it, Salish. Do not let it go. Do not let a boy beat you in strength.
Guys. Salish is so ticklish.
You
can't do that. Okay.
Just breathe. Jensen has got to be getting to.
Jensen,
Salish, come on.
Jensen.
No, Salish, stop looking. Just focus. Lock in. Breathe. Girls are strong. Find the power. Salish,
Oh, no.
hold it. Oh, yes! Wow, that was intense.
That was long.
My bracelet hurt my hand so bad.
I know.
Little girl, that was crazy. I'm not rooting for them. Girls won that round. Let's move on.
Girls are way better.
You made that look so easy. Next round, in the bag.
We were up for so long.
Let's be honest, he was up against a level 8 gymnast. What?
That's true. That's true. She does that like every day.
Who's smarter, boys or girls? Each team pick one volunteer.
Kato, you got it.
No. Now you got it.
I feel like this is you.
I don't know if I trust Salish.
Hey! Prove it wrong. I think you can do it.
3, 2, 1, stop.
Salish, prove me wrong.
Salish
What's good, y'all?
and Kato. Okay, Salish versus Kato.
How does that work out?
Kato and Salish go way back.
Tell me something you really like about me. You're cute.
But after one of our more recent videos, apparently TikTok decided they were soulmates. But seriously, can we not?
This is a game to see who's smarter. Okay, all right, stop fidgeting.
I'm not fidgeting.
You were just fidgeting.
Okay, Wrinkles.
We're not gonna use that, right, Sandy? We're gonna cut. Kato representing the boys, Salish representing the girls. In one of these briefcases is a labubu.
Labubu.
Salish is gonna open her briefcase. You're gonna watch her reaction, and then you're gonna decide whether or not to keep your briefcase or to steal her. Because if you end up with a labubu, you win this round. Are you smart enough to be able to tell if she's telling you the truth or lying? Salish, open the briefcase and look inside.
Kato will have to decide if the labubu is in Salish's case or his.
Well, what's in there? You don't know what's in the box?
If I say it, it's gonna give it away.
This is about intelligence. You have to read her mind.
May I help you, bro? Can you stop staring at me?
Salish is asking Kato to stop staring, but wait until you hear what she asks him later.
So, are you dating anyone?
You can tell me what's inside that briefcase.
Your mom.
Oh, you found that funny. I'm gonna say that it is in there. That there is something in there.
Here, you can have it. Let's go. Let's go.
Is Salish excited because she doesn't have the labubu, or is she trying to trick Kato to pick his own case?
Wait, I don't want it. It's not in there.
I think
No.
you should take it.
No, it's not in there.
You think the labubu is in your briefcase?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yeah, it's in there. It's in my briefcase.
All right, open it up and see.
Let's go!
That was so good! She picked you out so bad!
Yeah! Do you see that? No! We're gonna get into a subscriber, so comment below if you want it.
She outthought you.
That was pretty good.
For the next round, you have to pick one volunteer. You have 10 seconds, go.
For what?
Me?
The boys think they're better and the girls think they're better, but whoever wins more challenges today gets whatever is in this mystery box.
So me?
Yeah.
I'm scared. Okay.
And done. The two volunteers, please come out. Tsunami versus Jensen. Let's
go!
All right, who is faster, boys or girls? We're about to do a race. Let's go. Come on outside. This is a race. Tsunami versus Jensen.
Girls!
You get one false start. Second time, you're eliminated automatically. Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Wait, Jensen went a beat early. Review. You gotta do it again. If you go early again, you lose the point for your team. 3, 2, 1, go. Go, Tsunami. Oh my God, this is so close. That was so close. Jensen won. Oh my God. Let's go. That was really impressive.
After a really close finish, it looks like the boys take home another win.
For the next round, each team has 30 seconds to pick one volunteer. Go.
Wait, yo. What are we doing?
Wait, yeah, what are we
If the
doing?
girls want a chance to win this prize and prove girls are better, they kind of have to win this round.
I'll do it. Yeah, let's go. Okay.
And done. You each have to put this over the volunteers' eyes. This next challenge is who has more drip, boys or girls?
What? Drip. Who says drip?
Sandy, cue some of my fits. I know drip. Okay, maybe I don't.
The thing to say is who can throw a fit.
Who can? Oh, okay, right. Okay, Sandy, don't use that part. Next round, who can throw a fit?
Us, obviously.
All right, everybody, bring it in, Here we go. The two remaining teammates are gonna have 5 minutes to style the volunteer. And at the end, we're gonna have surprise YouTuber judges to determine who wins this round. Go! What do you think it is? Comment below.
So, what do we want to do?
The volunteer cannot help you, and they cannot look at what you're putting on them.
Okay, put this on.
What's the best option
I
with
like
this stuff?
this.
Oh, wait a minute.
That looks so good together.
Yes, that's so cute. Trust us.
Oh, it looks like the girls are putting together a pretty cute outfit.
We have to be crazy.
Wait, what do you mean crazy? Very extra.
Yeah, to make the judges laugh. You gotta trust us.
What is this?
I don't know what this is, but it's cool.
Baby suit.
Bro, yes! Boss baby. That's our like boss baby.
I don't know about the boys. They keep holding this onesie. Are they actually gonna use it?
Wait, Jordan just said a onesie. I'm not wearing a onesie. No onesie.
We've got an outfit.
We low-key cooked.
30 seconds, go!
Oh my God, guys, what are you doing?
They're all panicking. They don't know which outfit to pick.
Put all this on.
5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop!
I think we did it.
Time to meet the judges. Sophie Dossi and Tyler Vitelli.
Now they'll have to put on the outfits the other two picked out for them, and they'll be judged on their presentation and overall fashion.
Do boys or girls have more drip?
Hey, Boomer, come
Wait,
on.
20 years
Let's
ago?
Keep it going.
Yeah, let's go.
Anyway, we're gonna go with the boys first. You think you're gonna win this thing? Yeah, you think you're gonna win this thing?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. I believe the boys have an introduction here. Take this into account. There's an introduction.
Presenting the one, the only King Boss Baby Bowser.
Wah. Let's go.
That is good. I like that.
Okay, that was something. How do you think they did?
I'm pretty confident.
I'm feeling pretty good.
Can I ask you a question? Why did you guys go for the full, whole thing without...
We weren't gonna win if we actually tried.
So maybe you're gonna win on humor.
Hopefully, fingers crossed. I love you guys.
So judges, what did you think?
For the boys, I feel like the humor was there, it was funny, and they had great presentation. But the outfit, on the other hand...
Okay, what did you think?
Boss Baby is one of the greatest movies ever created.
Oh, you thought that was good?
That was fantastic.
Okay, girls, it looks like it's a split decision.
He's a boy.
Do you also have an introduction?
We didn't know we were supposed to do one.
Ooh, they don't have an introduction.
The outfit will make up for the presentation.
You guys are putting a lot of pressure on me here!
Presenting someone who doesn't need an introduction.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna open the door now.
Let me help them out because this is hard to watch.
Presenting the one, the only, the superstar, Eliana Walmsley! Oh yeah, okay.
We literally ate. It was so
You
good.
have to admit, bro, that was pretty good.
That was good. That was good.
No, you gotta finish it, finish it! Eliana Walmsley, everybody!
That was pretty good, wasn't it?
The cartwheel was bold, but let's see if she's still riding high in the next challenge.
I'm excited.
Jensen, you're not gonna take that much off. How you feel? You feel good about that?
I'm feeling great.
Tyler, Sophie, what'd you think about that one?
It was alright.
What?
I mean, it was fine, but I feel like everyone can do this split.
You should do the splits.
Yeah. I can do the splits. Do you want to go do the splits
I feel
then?
like you should demonstrate
No,
this.
everyone's seen me do the splits, but like they've never seen you do the splits.
Tyler, between us, you can't do this.
No.
Sophie, what did you think?
The splits, the back bends, and on top of it, I felt like her outfit was very New York Fashion Week.
I think it's time to bring out the two volunteers and to get scores.
Got this.
Stop aura forming. You're gonna look back and think you look stupid.
You'll be thinking the same thing.
I'm not aura forming in every single TikTok I post.
She doesn't even know the lyrics.
Okay, this is you. Ready? This is you.
Bro, I do not do
And
that.
you take off your shirt in the middle. You're like.
And we're gonna get back to the judging. I think we were judging a while ago, weren't we?
For the boys, we give them...
Let's go.
What?
The
We got this, boys.
For the girls.
All right, come on, girls, you got this.
I was debating between a 6, 7, so I decided between 6.5 for the girl.
Wait, that's good though.
That's
If we get a 10, then we won.
If I was the judge, I'd give you guys a 7.5.
Cool. If I was the judge, I would give you guys a 0.
Wow.
And for my score for the girls.
That means the girls have taken this round and they have more drip. Let's go!
I think because I just don't know anything about fashion,
Yeah,
I
you
didn't.
clearly don't. Yeah.
I think that was a problem, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, clearly.
I'm gonna go to New York Fashion Week now.
Okay, before I give you guys the next challenge, I just want to tell all of you something really exciting. We are doing our very first meetup on September 6th at the American Dream Mall in New Jersey. We're gonna have a bunch of special guests and we're making a huge announcement and I hope all of you guys can join us. Link in description. This is the final round. How you feeling? You good?
Let's do it.
How you feeling? You good? And now, the final round to figure out who's better, boys or girls, is Truth or Dare. This is John, a certified polygraph expert. Girls first.
Let's go, yeah, come on, girls.
Who do you want to nominate to go first?
Ellie, you're the oldest, you're the adult.
Yeah, you're the adult, Ellie. That doesn't mean I have to go first.
Eliana, would you like to choose Truth or Dare?
I guess I'm feeling adventurous and I'll do a dare.
Oh.
No, what is it? No.
That's an evil laugh.
Is that a bad decision?
Now remember, if you don't want to do the dare, you can say pass and you automatically lose a point for your team.
Ellie?
I put this on Instagram and asked for dares for all 6 of you. So the top dare for Eliana, well, it says, let Jensen cut your hair. Eliana, would you like to accept the dare or pass and lose a point?
Ellie, please accept it.
Get the razor.
It's my hair. It will grow back. It's my hair.
You're going bald.
Ellie. Fine.
Oh, she's gonna do it.
No way.
Jensen and Eliana, come on out.
Where's the razor?
Here you go. Scissors. This is a big dare going over.
I'm excited.
No.
I actually didn't think Eliana was gonna pick dare, so I'm surprised about this.
The one time I am actually adventurous.
Jensen, you're not gonna take that much off.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dude, no way. Eliana, you can still quit. You can still say no. No, you can still say no. No. Whoa!
Oh, my God. All your hair. Oh, my gosh. I feel so bad. I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. It's fine. No, I'm fine.
Oh, you're so dead when you get home. Oh, you're so dead.
Okay, that was rough, but the girls just got a point.
But this is nothing compared to what we have reserved for them later.
Did you ever have a crush on Biggie Norris?
Have you ever kissed any boy?
Oh, my God.
What?
This challenge is about to get wild.
Okay, boys, who do you pick to go first?
Jensen.
Jensen's got it.
Okay, Jensen, do you want to pick truth or dare?
After watching what just happened to Eliana, I'm not picking dare.
Okay, so you want to do truth?
Yes.
All right, come on out and sit here for John, the polygraph expert.
Oh.
Dare?
He's scary.
Jensen, the super exciting thing about this is Eliana is going to be asking you the questions.
I'm back, better than ever.
Jensen, you are now being wired up with polygraph equipment that will tell us whether or not you're telling the truth or lying. Eliana is going to ask you 3 questions, and if you even lie once or refuse to answer a question, your team doesn't get this point.
Jordan, no.
Hey, I don't care what she asks. You better tell the truth.
This is so scary.
Eliana, ask question number 1.
Have you thought about breaking up with me within the last month?
No.
True.
Oh, my God, bro.
That took a little too long.
That's not my fault.
Have I worn anything like that you thought was really ugly and you didn't like?
Jensen, breathe. Calm down. Gotta chill.
Yes. True.
What was it?
Maybe that like polka dot outfit that you wore that was.
In my TikTok? Why didn't you tell me?
I was trying to be nice. I'm not gonna tell you look bad.
Because I don't look bad. It's just the outfit looks bad. You're on thin ice here.
Oh.
You never want to hear that from your girlfriend.
Question number 3. Be careful with this one.
Oh boy.
If you could date anyone else, who would it be?
Oh my God.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Only you.
You're 100% positive.
Yes.
John?
Oh, my God.
True.
The boys win a point. Let's move it on.
I was so scared.
Why were you scared?
Because I'm hooked up to a lie detector.
Hey, W-Mans.
We got it.
Hey.
Don't mess this up, though.
Yeah, we got
Don't mess this up.
Bro was looking at me when he said that.
I know Jordan's coming for you.
Okay, which girl is going next?
Tsunami!
Tsunami!
Okay, okay.
Tsunami.
Yeah.
Truth or dare?
Truth.
This might be really bad.
Okay, come on out. Tsunami, you're gonna be asked 3 questions.
Okay.
And the person asking you is gonna be your brother Diesel.
Oh no, no, Jordan, no.
But I want you to remember while you're answering them, not only are we gonna know if you're telling the truth, but also your father is here. It's not too late. You can just say no, and your team does not get a point.
I'm gonna take one for the team, and I'm gonna answer the question.
Okay, wow, that red one is really spiking. Tsunami, dude, you have to chill. The spike is out of hand right now. Okay, just breathe, take a breath. When you're ready, say you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, Diesel, go ahead.
Have you ever had a crush on somebody, but told Pi that you didn't?
Yeah.
True.
Oh boy.
His face?
That's
Oh my
that's rough.
God.
Okay, Diesel, what's the second question?
Do you currently have a crush?
Diesel.
We're gonna go back here.
No.
Sue! That was the most not true answer I've ever.
Okay, sure. Yeah, I have. I do.
Thank you.
True. Oh my God.
I'm so good.
Oh my god! Oh, he's so mad.
Final question. I know he broke the chair.
I'm so cooked.
You're actually
Well, final question, Sue.
Did you ever have a crush on Biggie Norris?
No.
Why?
Okay, so the girls did not get a point for that round as Tsunami lied on the last answer.
Why would you do that?
Because my dad's here.
Your brother is the GOAT.
Everybody get back into the room. Get back into the room. Who's better, boys or girls for the mystery present? You guys think you know what it is? Comment below. Boys, who's next?
James!
Okay, Kato, you're next. James, truth or dare?
I gotta pick dare, honestly.
No way!
Okay, the number 1 dare for James on Instagram says this. James, to match the tattoo you got of Salish on your arm, now get an earring piercing.
No! No, actually, you have no choice. You have to do it.
That's like aura, though.
James, come on out. Sit right there.
I have a 10-year-old sister. She didn't even make a tear. You're fine.
Oh, and guess what? We kind of wanted to save some money because I didn't know if you were going to pick it, so we didn't get a professional. Instead, I'm just going to do it.
Have you ever done a piercing before?
No. How hard could it be? Look, I have instructions. Hold on, I'm supposed to, okay, hold on. Let me clean out in there. Ooh, okay, do that.
What do you mean you?
I think you're gonna have,
No, that
you're
looks
gonna have like
sharp.
a gold stud. It is sharp.
That's gonna look tough.
It's gonna look really tough.
Come on, you got this. Think about the ladies.
all right,
Do it for the
all right.
It
ladies.
hurts really bad, James.
Ready?
That's the wrong way. That's the wrong way. Other way. Other
Oh,
way.
thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my god, he was doing it the wrong way.
Before I do this, I'm warning you, I've never done it before. I don't know how to do it.
Why are you telling me this?
Because I want to give you an opportunity to say no, and then you won't get a point. You don't have to do this. Oh, jeez. Okay, that might be a little dirty, but it doesn't matter. Use your head this way.
Oh my god.
3, 2, 1.
Mom, what?
What are you doing?
I was just gonna get an ear piercing. It's for the challenge. I have to do it.
No!
James, Mom, please. He
I
needs this
told
point.
you that I don't care.
No. We need this point.
Now. Mom.
Yay!
Okay, I guess you didn't get a point.
That's not fair.
Listen, if you want to do it so bad, here's the thing, right here. Who wants a piercing? Who wants a piercing? Colin, you.
No.
It is absolutely tied, and there's one final round of Truth or Dare to determine who's better, boys or girls, and then we will find out what's in the mystery box.
Boys.
Girls!
That was weak.
Appreciate your enthusiasm. We all know who's going for the final round for the girls. It's my little girl, Salish.
Let's go, Salish!
Let's go.
Salish, Truth or Dare?
I think I'm gonna pick dare.
Come on out to hear your dare.
Okay, I'm scared.
Have a seat there.
What? Why am I sitting right here?
I'll sit right here.
I said dare, not truth.
I know. And your dare is to tell the truth to one question.
That's crazy.
This is in reference to the video we just posted when you went on a fake date with James and pranked me. The question is, in that video, you said that you couldn't say on camera who you've kissed.
Oh, I can't say that on camera.
So the dare, which is also a truth, and remember, you don't have to answer this.
Okay.
Have you ever kissed anyone other than the doll in that video?
Oh my God.
Oh, she's so guilty.
Salish, have you ever kissed any boy? Just remember, there's no judgment. It's totally okay. You're almost 16. Kissing would be totally fine.
Actually, I'm not answering this.
What?
Say
Yes! What? What? Wait!
Let me take this thing off.
No! You just lost the point!
I'm not doing this anymore.
Salish, it is just a kiss, okay? You can't tell your dad that. Why not?
It's your dad.
What's he gonna do?
My grandparents watch these videos.
You are 15 now.
So?
It's normal.
My parents don't realize that.
I realize it. I said it was okay. I just want to say for the record, I'm glad you didn't answer it. It's your own personal business. Instagram wanted to know. I'm kind of happy I didn't have to hear that. Now get back into your box, please. Get back into your box. Salish didn't get the point, which means if Kato gets a point for his team, they win the mystery box, and boys are better than girls. So Kato, truth or dare?
Truth.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Come on out.
You got this, bro. You got this. Bro, my palms are sweaty.
Oh, he looks nervous.
You don't have to do this. But if you tell the truth with every question, your team wins, and boys are better, and you get the mystery box. Are you ready?
Okay.
Do you want to quit?
No.
Who would be the worst person you could imagine to ask you questions right now?
The person I'm looking at right now.
Lucky for you, it's going to be me.
No!
John, you can wire him up. Kato, I've been through this with Nadal a few times.
I know.
I know what I'm doing.
Why are you shaking so bad? I'm pretty sure we know the answers to all of your questions.
Oh, you don't know the questions yet.
Why are you so red?
You're getting red. Calm down. There's millions of boys watching. They want to prove that boys are better than girls. They're counting on you.
All right, I got you.
Now, I want to remind you, we will know if you're lying, and also your mother is here watching.
Ooh, that's awkward.
Oh my God.
Yes. The other two that did truth had 3 questions. But
yeah.
For this one, because it's final, I'm going to do 5.
You know what? Fine. Go ahead. I don't care.
I didn't ask Instagram because I've got some questions for you.
Okay, I don't like this.
You and Salish knew each other for a while, and then you didn't see each other, and then you came back together with the Secret Admirer video, right?
Correct.
And she asked you 2 questions in the dinner scene.
Right.
Number 1, what's your type?
Girls that are kind, sweet, personality,
Yes, it's mommy!
have green eyes,
Oh.
and are super nice.
True.
Okay.
Okay. You told the truth. That was sweet. It's not what you said last time. Last time you said starts with an S, ends in a
H, and she matters.
and she matters. That was a good line, by the way. Smooth. Saw it on TikTok a lot, too.
Okay, now this is a little awkward.
Yep. Number 2, have you ever lied about having a crush?
No.
True. Number 3, I'm going to play a TikTok for you.
Oh no.
And I would like to know who you are referring to in this TikTok, if you don't mind. You just posted it today.
Oh no.
So let me just...
Oh, I know what he's talking about.
Oh.
When you find yourself thinking about her all the time.
Oh.
Kato, calm down, put your hands straight. Do you need a minute? Do you need some water?
Please.
I think we're just gonna move on.
Please.
You can have water after. You don't have to answer the question.
But then my boys won't get it.
Then you won't get the point, and then we'll go to sudden death. So just so you know, in all seriousness, this is fun, but you don't have to answer this question if it's too personal.
Yeah, you don't.
You don't. You can
definitely
just-
don't.
you can absolutely-
You can absolutely quit.
You have to answer.
Absolutely.
Tell the
you can.
truth. Come on.
Salish.
What? What'd you say?
Salish.
You were thinking about Salish in that TikTok.
Yes.
Okay. John? Oh, okay.
I gotta hide.
Yeah, me too.
Her dad is crazy.
You should have lied. You could have told us. Why did you tell the truth?
Oh.
Jordan, how do
wow.
you feel about that?
That was a rough moment.
What's the girl's last name?
There's only one Salish
Wait,
girl.
is there another Salish?
Just make sure it's me.
Okay, we might need to take a breather before the final.
Bro, it's really hard in here.
Yeah, here's some water. Here's some water.
Jordan, I'm being so dead serious. This mystery box better be good.
The graph is crazy. He's going crazy. Dude, do we need to stop before you have it, are you good? Okay, all right, Kato, breathe. Let's get it back. 2 more questions. If you answer these 2 questions right, the boys win the entire challenge.
Got you.
And those questions will not be asked by me. They'll be asked by Salish.
No way.
Okay.
You got this, bro.
I've been thinking about this question for a while, actually. So, are you dating anyone?
Oh my God, why?
If I was dating you and you posted that TikTok about a girl, I would be kind of mad. So, are you dating someone?
No. True.
Well, I'm kind of gonna expose you for this one. Do you remember when you asked me to go to the movies?
Yeah.
And I kind of avoided the question.
Yeah.
Do you want to go to dinner?
You have to answer this question truthfully.
Yes.
John?
True.
So the boys won.
That was crazy.
That was. Are we good?
Oh, so that's the end of the video.
Wait, I didn't win?
No. He told the truth.
Why didn't we win?
Because he just told the truth.
You guys are going to dinner.
Did you think he was gonna lie about that?
I forgot about that.
That was a wild ending to a video. Boys won, congratulations. And here's what's in the mystery box. This is $1,000.
Let's go! Hey, Salish, this is $300. Now I get to take you out to a fancy dinner.
Okay, hold on. What?
Cut the show.
This is our dog Boomer, and today my daughter and I are competing to build him the most awesome doghouse ever. Salish has been hiding something all day, but I'm about to find out what it is. Whoa, no, actually no! We each get a budget of $1,000.
Ooh!
We have 8 hours to finish, and then Boomer will pick his favorite doghouse. The winner gets the Matter Cup.
I didn't think you could do anything more embarrassing than...
So if you're the top matter, you don't have to do any more dishes until the next competition.
Yay! I called the backyard.
I'm gonna go get wood. You wanna come with me?
I'm okay.
What do you mean? What?
I got Boomer and we're going to Home Depot. 3 years ago, we found Boomer at an animal shelter, and ever since then, he has been Salish's very best friend.
Ooh, I have a really big secret because I cannot build a doghouse by myself. So, hi!
Hey, how are you?
This is Matthew Beam, and he's built a doghouse before. So could you help me build one for our dog?
I can, and I brought some friends with me. Come on in, guys.
Oh, okay. It was not one person. Oh, 2. Oh, 3.
There's a lot.
Oh, it keeps going. 4, 5. Okay, we've got 5 extra helpers. Perfect. This is a big secret. I'm competing against my dad, and he has no idea that you're here.
This is the dog's current bed.
Yeah, it is.
If we're gonna beat your dad, we need something way bigger than this. Where is he?
He's gonna be out for hours. He has no idea what he's doing.
I gotta call Say and see what she's up to. She's like probably using a cardboard box and scissors. She should have come to Home Depot. What could she possibly be doing that she's not answering the phone?
I have this for you.
Okay.
You're definitely gonna need that. You're also gonna need this. You might wanna watch out real
Oh,
quick.
vest? Oh, hello.
You ready for this?
So ready.
All right, what's the plan?
This is what I'm gonna win if I win the doghouse competition. Seems cringy, but I also don't have to do dishes for a week.
Okay, we have to win this. What's the plan?
I want 2 floors, a roof deck, pool, a sunroof, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and living room. I have 8 hours until I have to be done. He just can't see you here, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna check Find Friends to see where he is. He's just getting to Home Depot. He has no idea how to deal with Home Depot or anything.
We have so much to do. We have to get paint, wood, and building supplies first. I'm calling my father-in-law. I need a little help. I'm competing against Salish to see who can build the best doghouse for Boomer. You know, I've sawed things and nailed things, but I've never actually built something from scratch. Can you tell me where to start?
Go on the internet and look for plans for doghouse.
Wait, that's actually really smart.
Old dogs do no tricks.
Do you want to help me beat your granddaughter?
I'm Team Salish.
Everybody's gonna be Team Salish. All right, thank you.
I can't believe he'll be able to build that thing. He's never built anything.
14 free DIY doghouse plans anyone can build. Boom! This is the top matter. You're looking at them right here. Salish, you're going down, little girl.
The pool is definitely the most important part of this entire build. When I built my doghouse, we did it in the shape of a dog bone.
I think we should do a heart because I love Boomer so much.
Am I gonna need a ladder? Who builds a doghouse tall enough to need a ladder?
We'll have 2 floors, and I think we should make it look exactly like this house so it kind of like matches. This is gonna be the craziest doghouse ever. I'm extremely stressed since you only have 8 hours to do this. This plan's not gonna work.
That one's not good, I guess.
Is this like, oh! Oh, wow, that's on?
Once he's home, I have a couple ideas to make him stop stealing our ideas.
Like what?
You'll see.
I'm getting a little stressed out. I'm not gonna finish this doghouse in time. Excuse me, where's the wood? All right.
Dimensional numbers here.
Okay.
And wood's over here.
Okay, thank you. That was awkward. It's right here. This is overwhelming. Where do I start?
I am Team Salish. I'm sorry, Jordan, but we're gonna take this home. This is the very first board of our entire doghouse.
3, 2, 1. Whoa! That worked!
I hope everything goes that easy today since we don't have a lot of time.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make you the best doghouse that has ever happened in the entire world, and I'm gonna win. I'm gonna be top matter, okay? Why don't you guys comment below? Who do you think is top matter? I need to build a doghouse.
Frame out of 2x4s, the exterior out of plywood.
Thank you, buddy. Come on, yes! I'm gonna win, I'm gonna win, I'm gonna win. Salish is all by herself. Salish is building a doghouse out of a cardboard box.
Next, we're gonna start doing, let me try this. Subscribe to Salish Matter.
Oh yeah, you can say that.
We gotta do the floor now.
Boomer sleeps with Salish every night. Her room is all pink. So if I make the doghouse pink, he is going to automatically be drawn to that doghouse because it reminds him of Salish. Where is pink?
Now it's time to paint this just like our house. Perfect.
Pink. All right, which is the Barbie pink? There's a lot that goes into this whole building a doghouse thing. Which color is Salish's room? Oh, that one? Thinking of Salish trying to make a doghouse right now? Like, I'm lost, but at least I'm in Home Depot. She's like, what, like, got like a cardboard box?
Since we have all these people, is this cheating?
He never said I couldn't get help.
Okay, fair enough. And you need to draw the perfect heart to show how much you love your dog, and then we're gonna turn this into the pool.
Now that I know everything I need to build a doghouse, I'm gonna have my assistant Rowan buy it all for me while I move to the next location. Thanks, buddy.
I'm gonna do, what am I doing?
This is his location.
Let me see. Oh, that'll be fine. Where is he?
He is right there.
Now we're in the pet store. It's time for Boomer to pick out what goes inside the doghouse. Boomer, I want you to have your favorite toy. Tennis balls. Ooh. No.
It's awesome. It looks so big. Boomer is gonna love it. It's gonna be the pool right there.
We should do a strength test.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Ah!
Half of it's still standing.
No! Do we have to start over?
Yeah.
This is actually really comfortable. I think he likes this one. Yeah. Okay. This is his bed. Yes. I've also got this. I'm gonna show you later what I'm doing with it.
How long till your dad gets home?
1 hour, 2 hours, I don't know. It's okay, we can fix it.
So the builders are gonna keep building the house while me and Salish go to the store and get all the interior design stuff so this house stands out. I really hope we can finish. We're gonna try it.
I'm building a doghouse for my little dog. My daughter's building one, and then one of us is gonna win a challenge.
Team Jordan.
Yes! I got another trick up my sleeve right now.
What if he's coming to Target?
Okay, that would not be good, but is he coming here or is he going home? I don't know, we gotta hurry right now. I wanna get Boomer a bed, some blankets, some toys, some flowers, some plants, some dog bowls, everything
a lot
like
of
that.
stuff. This one's perfect.
That's really good.
Look at this.
We really have to hurry. Oh, what about this? It's like his perfect size.
That'll fit.
I really want some photos with Boomer, so we're gonna need frames, maybe decor, like this candle.
I've got the wood, I've got the paint. Now it's time to find something to decorate the house and make it really special. He's so tired.
It's so funny that we're shopping in the home decor aisle for a doghouse. I like this one.
Yeah, okay. This one's kind of cute. Perfect. These two kind of look like they would be at our house.
What else do we need?
Dog toys.
We gotta get to the dog toys. What's our budget?
Like $1,000? Wait, how much was the wood?
Don't worry about the wood. I had it left over from my last doghouse, so it's yours free.
Thank you so much.
I wonder if your dad's as stressed as we are right now.
Hopefully.
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. All I need to do is add a little Christmas lights and make the doghouse perfect. Hey, say, how's your cardboard box doing?
This is the most stressful build I've ever done, but we're gonna win this challenge. I am freaking out right now.
Hey, look!
Dog toys.
This one's cute. This.
Should we get this dog bed?
That looks too big for him. Maybe this one?
Okay, let's get it. Look at this. This would be perfect.
Wait, Matthew?
Yeah.
It says that my dad is at Target right now.
This Target?
Yeah.
Your dad could be in any one of these aisles and
Yeah,
we
he
could leave the store
could.
immediately. Let's check out, hide under the cart, and I'll push it. If he sees us, this entire challenge is
He's
over.
right there. Oh, shoot.
You're not low enough. Get a little lower. We have to try to stay out of the main entranceway because that's really risky. Why would he be coming here? Does he need dog toys?
I don't know.
Stay low, stay low, stay low.
I gotta find battery-powered ones, and I don't know where those are. I'm running out of time. I gotta build a whole doghouse. Battery-powered string lights.
All right, we need to get out of here. Let's go check out. He's right there, he's right there. He's right
Go,
there.
go, go.
Get it. Okay, I just realized these things make us stand out.
These things are making us stand out,
Okay.
yeah.
We need to
He's right
ditch
there.
these. Oh, he's right there. We gotta go.
Go, 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 go. That was really close.
I think we're good. Let's go check out.
Oh, I thought of one more thing.
He's right there.
He's right there, he's right there.
Go, 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 go.
This was a really awful idea going to this store.
This was a terrible idea.
Should we even buy this stuff? Is it too risky?
We need to buy this stuff, or else we're
Oh,
not
there he
gonna
is,
have
there he is, there he is, there he is. Come back, Salish, Salish.
Go, 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 go.
Get down, get down, get down. Okay. This is terrifying. Oh!
Do not let him see us.
I'm trying my best. I don't see him. I think we're
Can
clear.
I get out?
Okay, yep.
He's right there. He's checking out right now.
Just don't look backwards.
I'll just go over here.
I feel so suspicious right now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, open faster, open faster. Okay, we need to get back to your house immediately and finish this doghouse. Since your dad's already done at Home Depot, I feel like he's gonna be home even sooner than we thought.
Definitely. This looks so good. Oh my gosh. I'll help you.
All right, this is looking great. This is nicer than the floor in my actual house. There's gonna be 2 floors right here, so the dog can go downstairs or upstairs. I don't know how Jordan's gonna beat this. We're gonna take her exact drawing and cut it out so it's the perfect shape of what she drew. Do you think your dad's house is gonna have a pool in it?
No.
I like our chances.
Little guy's had a long day, so I'm gonna get him a treat. Also kind of trying to bribe him a little bit. All right, can I get a puppuccino for my little dog? It's free? That's really sweet. Thank you so much.
Of course.
Oh, are you so excited? Yeah. I'm totally not doing this to bribe you, Boomer. But when you're picking the doghouses, remember who got you a puppuccino. So what do you think Salish is doing right now? You think she's even gotten anything started yet? Sandy, cue a graphic of all the things I think Salish has been doing today. None of them involve building a doghouse.
Where is your dad?
He's just leaving Starbucks. He could be coming home, or he could be going somewhere else.
Okay.
You better leave.
I should probably get out of here.
Wait, but what will I do?
Good luck, you got this.
Matthew!
I gotta get out of here before Jordan gets home. I'm leaving her with an amazing build team so she can complete the build. Good luck, Salish. Team Salish for the win.
I don't know how to finish this doghouse, but I do know how to keep my dad from seeing it. I have a really good idea of putting this and this up on the windows so that he can't see anything. And don't worry, you think he's gonna be able to get through the house, right? I've got a plan for that too. I am not losing to my dad, and I do not want him to steal my design. My dad is gonna be building his doghouse right over there, so I need to make him a trap so that he can't get over there from here. This is my first try for a trap for my dad. I hear you laughing, Sandy. Now let's see. I want to see. Okay, this tape did not work. I've got a better idea. This thingy is a tripping wire, so I'm gonna tape it to right here. A hook, I like that. I love ladders. Hook. Feed it through. I'm gonna tie the bells in the wire. He's probably gonna try and steal my ideas, so I'm gonna hear the bells ring, and I'm gonna come right away. I do not want him to cheat, and Matthew helping me, it wasn't cheating. I was just being super smart. This can go right there so he doesn't see the tape. Okay, I'm gonna be my dad. Oh, I need to see Salish's ideas coming. See? Perfect! So we've got the tripwire in the other hallway, but we need something to stop him here. Okay. Whenever my dad tries to come through here, if I see him, then I'll spray him. I'm so smart. Perfect. He's not getting by this. So all of this is gonna be AstroTurf, and this part is gonna be the pool, and it's gonna look really cool.
Boomer, ready for the best doghouse ever. Let's do this thing.
I'll be there.
Got all my stuff ready to build. Gonna check on Say to see how she's. What is that? She's trying to hide her build so I can't see.
Not so fast, not so fast, buddy.
Hey, Ike.
How you doing?
Good, excuse me, I just need to. Wait, what? Wait,
You can't say it.
dude, I just did this with you a couple weeks ago. Dude, we've been through a lot, right? Roll back a lot. We've been through a lot.
Me and Salish, you know, we go way back too.
Wait, is that a table saw?
Oh, no table saws. Hey.
I don't want to use these things.
Don't make me use those. Don't make me use those.
He wins, okay. What's this thing? No way. Is Matthew Beam out there? Ooh. Are you kidding me? Is Matthew Beam? Okay, I respect that. You do your job. Strong guy. You just stay there.
Good job.
We're good.
Okay.
Matthew Beam's here. I'm gonna find him. There's 2 other ways to get to the yard.
I love Jordan, but I'm Team Salish. She's top matter.
Thanks, Ike.
Yeah, I got your back.
She brought a bodyguard. You know what she forgot? She forgot that there's this. What?
Dad!
What's this? Oh, no.
Why are you here? I spent my $1,000 quickly.
Okay.
That was so rude of him. Why does he
Okay,
see
look,
what
did
I'm
you
doing?
bring Matthew
What's
Beam
that?
here?
What are you talking about?
What is this? Huh?
Okay, fine.
Yeah, he was here. He's helping
But
you.
you didn't say that was not allowed. Sandy rolled the tape.
We each get a budget of $1,000. We have 8 hours to finish.
Okay, Dad, go!
Oh, God!
Just leave.
Okay, you're right. Matthew's good, so is Frenchie Fries. Hey, man, listen, I'm in a pickle. Can you come to my house right now and help me build a doghouse?
Nah, I think I'm Team Salish on this one.
Oh! I hear table saws. I know something's going on back there. I can climb over these things like it's no. Whoa! No! Actually, no! Stop! Not the hair!
That was nice and easy.
Didn't see that coming.
Matthew's gone, but there's so much work to do, so I'm gonna sandpaper this heart down. This is supposed to be the pool.
Got my wood, got my tools, and because Salish got help, I got help too. Oh yeah, they're excited. I have a secret plan, the ultimate test to see if Boomer will love this doghouse. I cannot even get over that Salish got a bunch of help, and then Matthew, my friend, helped her. I can't even believe that. We gotta make a doghouse. Yeah!
Good turn.
Pierre knows his stuff. He's my neighbor. He builds things.
We really have to hurry because my dad's gonna be done like literally any minute.
I'm a little bit stressed out because I thought I had this thing in the bag just by even building one, and now she's got a production, I have a feeling, out there. I mean, actually, wow.
I think my dad's doghouse will be a small little house with maybe a dog bed in it. I am so happy that this whole team is helping me build this. My dad will not be able to do that by himself.
Hi, honey, look.
Wow.
It looks good, right?
It looks great. This is a first.
Did you see Salish's?
Oh, yeah, totally. That's cute.
Is it bigger than that?
A little bit.
Oh, no. All right, we got to get to work, guys.
We have got to win this cup.
Okay. Oh, no, what? Actually, no.
Well, we have to start over.
God. Oh, ow.
Right now they're putting the walls on and it looks exactly like the front of our house. And I think Boomer's gonna like it even more than I do.
The one hope is they don't finish in time. Or Boomer likes small doghouses.
Lights get you down, you keep doing it anyway. You don't let anything.
Oh, are you kidding me? Hey, Ike.
Hey.
I've got hemp protein and amino acids. I know you like that. All you gotta do is grab your amino acids. Okay, oh yeah, here we go. Oh God, okay, my bad.
Boomy, do you know that you're gonna get a doghouse? It's gonna be so cool and you better pick ours. You've seen how hard we've been working. Boom, are you Team Salish or are you Team Jordan? Sandy, add a sound effect. I know you're Team Salish. I'm gonna put a bunch of pictures of Boomer and me, but I wanna take one more special one to remember this moment. Right, Boomy? I love you.
She is not beating me. I am top matter. I mean, honestly, he's better at it than I am, so.
There's turf here and we are all gonna build a fence around it. So I'm gonna try and help by doing this. One down, like 1,000 more to go. This thing is fun. Never mind.
Get wood all over my body. Ugh, what is that? Ugh, yuck. Ugh.
The last thing we have to do is put in the decorations. I'm so excited.
Now we are constructing the doghouse. I totally did this all alone. Nobody here helped me. We all know Boomer loved this bed. How does it fit? Perfect.
I'm gonna sneak in the back door. This is the kitchen. There's a little microwave. Boom. Boomer is totally picking this doghouse. Have fun with the dishes, Dad!
To be honest, I'm actually kind of jealous of Salish for thinking of bringing Matthew and an entire crew. If I had thought of it, I would have done it. There's nothing in the rules saying we couldn't do it. I just didn't think of it.
I've never been able to stand in a doghouse before. I cannot wait to show Boomer. He's gonna go up here, and then around, and then up, and then he's gonna be outside. Okay, perfect. That looks actually kind of cute.
When you see this bed in a doghouse, go straight to it and lie on it, okay? And then I won't have to do dishes. That matter? Yeah. See, even Boomer's rooting for me.
A nice couch. And this way I can sit in it too. This is the photo I just took and it is gonna go right there. I don't want to show you guys everything that's gonna be in the doghouse, so I'm gonna do a final cleanup and then I'll show you guys the finishing touches afterwards.
Looking good, huh? I mean, I'm feeling pretty good about myself, right? Almost done, running out of time. There's just a bit of a gap here.
I'm gonna beat my dad and win this trophy. Perfect. I'm the top matter.
And now for the painting. This is the exact color of paint in Salish's room, and since Boomer sleeps with Salish every night, he's naturally gonna be drawn to it. I really wanna be top matter. There's nothing about dishes I like, and I want that trophy. Remember how I told you I have a plan for this bear? Boomer likes Salish better, might as well take advantage of it, putting this right in his doghouse.
Everybody did such a good job helping me with this house. And Matthew, thank you so much for all your help.
Finally finished. Doghouse. This is not a good sign for me. I might lose this competition. There's 10 dogs here, not one of them is going in the doghouse.
They all like the garden. Nobody likes the doghouse. This is not a good sign for me.
Look. Oh, they're in, yes. They went in there. Maybe Boomer will like the doghouse after all. Yes! Time's up. Got to get my doghouse into position. Okay. Oh, no way. Rowan! Little help. If I finish my doghouse, can I go in now?
Let me hear you bark one time.
Roof! Whoa. Let me see the doghouse.
All right.
Okay. How did you?
I had some help.
Yeah, you think? Look at all these people!
Team Salish!
But Boomer might not even care for big dog houses. Did you ever think about that? He might like a little one with his little personal bed in there. Are we ready to see who wins the first ever Matter Cup? Whoever wins avoids dishes for an entire week. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Whichever doghouse Boomer goes into and settles down in, that's the winning doghouse for the Matter Cup. Put him down. Let's see where he goes. Come on, like small doghouses. Oh. No!
Oh?
No. How are we gonna know if he settles down, actually?
Actually, I can watch him on this monitor.
There's a monitor?
Yes.
Wait, a monitor?
Yes, just watch it. Oh?
He's not settling down at all.
Why isn't?
I don't know.
Why?
Maybe it's too big. Did you ever think it might be
No.
too big? Wow, that is really nice in there.
Yeah, it's really nice.
That's actually really, really nice. Okay, guys, that's really nice. That's beautiful. Wow, Matthew.
Yeah, they did a great job.
Did you do anything, by the way?
Yes, of course. I screwed in some nails.
He's coming back out. He did not lay down.
No.
Wait. He's coming back out.
He's not.
He is. He's coming out.
He's not.
There he is. He's coming back. Okay. Oh, he's going to mine. He's going to actually going to mine. Okay.
No, he's not.
He's going right in it right now. He's going in my room. He's got. No, I forgot to add the Christmas lights. He might just lay down. He might.
No,
The whole point of the bed is that he'll lay in it.
Don't.
Do it.
No.
Get in your bed. It's your bed. Get in your bed.
It's going out. Yes. Yes.
No. Okay, he's going upstairs. He doesn't look like he's settling down, though. Are you kidding? There's a roof deck. Go back downstairs, Boomer. Go downstairs.
Yes. Yes. No, Boomer, go.
Don't sit down. Don't. Just.
Oh.
No. Don't lay down. Don't.
Okay, yes, lay down.
Don't lay down.
Yes. No dishes. Woo! Yay! I get this, and then it's going in the doghouse. Woo!
I guess dogs like big houses too.
This is the world's tiniest house, and today I'm moving into it all by myself.
Salish thinks she is super independent and can handle living alone, so today, if she passes 10 Home Alone challenges, she gets to live in this house for an entire week.
You are going to be out on your butt by 5 p.m. if you don't pay your rent.
Okay. Hurry, Dad, come on.
You have 10 minutes to fully unpack everything in your suitcase and move into your new house. 1, 2, 3, go!
Whoa! This is so cool.
I'm gonna be watching everything Salish does on this monitor, and she has no idea.
Dad, I know you're watching this.
Okay, so I guess it's pretty obvious. I'm watching so I can make sure she passes every challenge.
If you step 1 foot into this house, you automatically lose, and I win because when I'm living alone, you're not gonna be here. It's a little bit tight, but this is awesome. Look at how good it is, Sandy.
Such a small space.
I might have overpacked a little bit, but I'll make it work. Let's just get started. Wow, this is awesome. Look at how mini this kitchen is. Shower is perfect. It's like the perfect size. How exactly do you get up there? I'll figure it out later. Sandy, wait a second. I'm gonna go set the bed. Just give me a minute. All right, guys.
Whenever Salish starts vlogging, I get concerned. Does that mean she's up to something?
I don't want Sandy to hear this, and I just want you guys to hear this. But basically, originally, I had a huge idea of setting a huge party in here, so maybe my dad will step foot in it. But now I have an even better idea, so you guys will just have to wait. It's so cool. Oh my God.
I rented this house on Airbnb for a week. It's ready for her if she wins the challenge. She brought in an entire suitcase of her own stuff just to make it personal.
Hopefully I didn't bring too much stuff. Bro, where is the zipper? There's no zipper to code. I don't know what the code is. 1, 2, 3. Let's try that.
Bruh.
She has less than 10 minutes to fully move in, and then I'm sending some special guests for the next challenge.
You gotta hurry.
Yeah, Sandy, I'm very aware of that. Thank you very much. I'm just gonna guess like the most common, maybe 000. Hey, yeah, let's go, bro.
I'm wondering what Salish brought in this huge suitcase and a tiny house to live for a week.
This is a picture from Steamboat. These look like the exact same size. Sandy, can you take that?
Whenever we go anywhere, the first thing she does is unpack, but it takes her a lot longer than 10 minutes. I don't know if she can do this.
Perfect. Nice little abstract art.
That photo is from Steamboat, Colorado, where she loves. We go there every year.
Sheets and a pillow. Oopsies. I need to pass all of these challenges because living here for a week would actually be a dream.
If Salish thinks a tiny house is hard, next she's gonna be alone in a huge house.
Yeah! Oh my!
Just wait.
Time's ticking. Let's go, let's go. Very cute, me and Boomer.
Oh, she brought her lifetime crystal.
So I guess there's no closet. Here's my outfits for the next week.
Parents, talk to me about this. You can raise two kids the exact same way and they're totally different. Sandy, show a photo of Salish's bedroom and Hudson's. See what I'm saying?
I packed for the whole week because I just know I'm gonna pass all of these challenges.
She's not gonna be able to pass the challenges. They get harder and harder.
All right, I really gotta hurry this up.
So you guys see, this is my perspective. I'm not that far away. I can't see through the windows, but I can see here.
When I'm living by myself, I'm gonna make everything I'm not allowed to eat like sweets. Another picture of Boomer and I.
Gotta hurry.
Yes, Sandy, I'm kind of aware of that. Thank you very much. I think I broke it. No one has to see that.
She's breaking her photos.
Makeup in the kitchen always works.
When you have people coming over, you gotta make sure your house is clean. And she's got people coming over in 5 minutes. But she doesn't even know that.
I don't have any room for broken glass, so you know what? Throw it out here. Don't worry, guys. I'll get that later. Perfect.
Did she just throw that out the window?
This is like a mini table. All right. Can get done all of my homework.
She's making it work though. You're gonna live alone, you gotta make sure you're set up to do your homework. She looks a lot more grown up than she used to, right? She's grown up in front of all of you. And one day she will actually live alone. Lauren and I are not ready for that day, I'll be honest with that right now.
Dad, I'm gonna pass all the challenges. I'm going to live here all week.
One day in this house with me parked here and Sandy filming her in there, I'm fine with that. But if she's here alone for an entire week, I'm gonna freak out.
And we're unpacked. Neat house.
Tay is running out of time and she's about to lose this first challenge, so I'm gonna let her know.
There we go, that's cute. All right, this place looks so neat and good. My phone?
Yeah.
Hello?
Dude, you only have 25 seconds left.
What?
If you leave any mess, you automatically lose the challenge because when you live alone, you gotta be neat.
Okay, bye.
24, 23.
You're gonna lose the first one.
15.
Hurry up, bro.
Last 10 seconds, Say.
5,
All right,
4, 3, 2, 1. That's not straight.
Done. Sandy, show me the entire house.
Okay, you got it. Here's the tour.
Let me see those notebooks. That's not perfectly lined up.
I like it like that.
Oh, you brought the picture of Boomer. That's really sweet. Where's the photo of me?
Sorry, I forgot that one.
Looks like you passed the first challenge.
Hey!
Meet me outside for your next challenge. Just passed the first one. It's gonna get harder though. I've chosen 3 potential roommates, but 2 of them would be terrible choices for Salish. So if she picks one of them, she automatically loses this challenge. I need to know that she is a good judge of character in order for her to live alone.
My name is Alexandra. I'm a little bit spoiled, I've been told. I hate mess. I can't go near dirt. I don't clean. I have people for that, okay?
My name is Elizabeth, and I'm the best roommate ever. I keep to myself. I don't play music very loud. I do my own dishes. I'm pretty clean, and I'm nice.
My name is Monica, and I'm a great roommate. All my other roommates, they would always blame me for stuff, but it's insane because I never do anything wrong. It was never my fault. It was always their fault. Duh.
All 3 of these women are actors playing these characters. One of them is super chill. They'd be an easy, great roommate. The other 2 are nightmares. Let's see how easy it is for Salish to figure out which one is the good one.
What do you want?
Can I come in?
Yeah, if you want to lose.
I'm gonna send 3 potential roommates over, but only one of them is a good roommate. The other 2 are terrible, and if you pick them, you automatically lose this challenge.
All right.
Can I just see the house real
Nope.
quick?
Trying to enjoy my free time. I know when someone is a fake friend or a real friend, but the worst roommate? I don't know. I'm a little bit scared.
Here's the 3 roommates, and they're about to go in.
Oh gosh, they're here. All right, hello. Hi. How are you guys? Isn't it big here? I can give you a tour. Super nice.
It's a little small.
No, it's not small. No.
Whoa, this is the bathroom? No, it's awesome.
All of them are finding it a little tight in there.
Salish, this is cute. We can have dinner here together. We can get a dog and he'll sit right here.
I only see one bed, so
Is there enough space for both of us?
Oh yeah.
I've seen these tiny house trends on YouTube before, but this is smaller than any of them.
All right, ready for your roommate interview?
Yeah. Born ready.
What would your last roommate say that is most irritating to you?
All her stuff went missing, and she blamed me. It's crazy.
Nothing. I'm perfect.
Maybe I left a dish out overnight,
Okay.
but it's usually gone in the morning.
Are there any specific behaviors that you cannot tolerate?
The two bad roommates are actually acting like they would be the best roommates ever, so they might fool Salish.
I will literally listen to anything. I will do anything.
I am super tolerant as well. You know, I'm the most easygoing roommate you'll ever meet.
What if Salish picks the wrong one? That would be such a bummer to lose on challenge number 2.
Bad smells?
True. Oh my gosh, I hate when somebody smells bad.
Dude, it's the worst.
How much of a neat freak are you?
I wouldn't say freak, but I'm clean.
Growing up, my maid, I would clean everything up in the house.
Did you say maid?
What? Who said maid?
Definitely not too neat, but not like not neat. Just whatever you want. I can do that.
Salish's taking this really seriously. She's taking a lot of notes.
Okay.
They are like practically begging to be her roommate. Say, I hope you don't fall for this kind of person.
I'm sleeping up here, so we need to figure out where you guys would sleep.
So this little cute nook
totally.
in the
I
room.
can
Yeah,
actually,
no, it looks so cozy.
Completely fit up there.
Are they actually gonna get up there?
Can you just stop for a
no,
second?
can you
Is there
move
a stool?
over?
Is there a stool?
I can totally.
You just fit right here. I'm good.
This
so
looks a little cozy.
that sounds spot
I
ever,
can
and I
do
just made it.
You want to
Can you stop?
Can you
I can
stop?
sleep right here.
Okay. Now it's time for the next part of the interview.
What is it?
Chores.
Okay. So fun.
I'm gonna tell you guys a secret. Elizabeth is the good roommate.
Your chore is to make your bed. Do you make your bed every morning?
Yeah, I do. Do you?
Yeah, I love to make my bed.
It's the best way to start the day.
Do you tuck the sheets in or do you leave them?
Oh, you gotta tuck them.
Oh yeah, same. Anyways, I'm gonna go downstairs for 5 minutes. Best of luck. Have fun.
Thanks.
Your task is to wash the dishes. Yay!
I got that, queen. Don't worry about it. Okay. Salish wants me to do the dishes. I can do this. Do the dishes. Just do the dishes. Do the dishes. I touched the dish. I touched it.
Alexandra is super spoiled. She thinks she's better than anybody else. I'm sure you know someone like that.
You can do this. Daddy didn't raise a whim. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my. It's just ketchup. This should be a job for the maid, okay? Like, where's the maid?
Oh my god, this kid is so spoiled. She can't even touch a dish.
I'm just here to check up on the dishes. Let's see how they are. Oh. These aren't even clean at all.
I cleaned. It looks clean to me.
It's dirty. Here, how about you try cleaning?
No.
What's wrong?
I
It's
cleaned
just a
around
dirty
the-
plate. Well, if you want to be my roommate, you kind of have to do dishes. Do you want to go do this one right now, just to make sure that you can do it?
Though, I swear, they look
They
clean
don't
to
look
me.
done.
Guys, I can't do this anymore. I have a maid for this. I have well manicured hands that are perfectly moisturized. They don't touch filth. Okay, I'm out of this pathetic little tiny home. What? Mommy.
Salish was supposed to have a decision about which one to eliminate, but she just eliminated herself.
The task I want to see you do is taking out the trash.
Cool. Easy.
Plastic goes in the recycling and the trash goes in the trash.
Save the turtles, right?
Obviously, so can you just take this bin down to the end of the street?
Yeah, totally.
Monica is super untrustworthy, and she's been told to take out the trash. But I have a feeling she's gonna do something else.
Could you just bring this down too? Thank you.
If you've ever had a friend who lies to your face or talks behind your back, that's Monica.
Perfect.
That's actually perfect. I'm gonna send in a crazy neighbor to drive Salish crazy, and if she loses her temper, she loses the challenge. Here's the neighbor right now.
You guys are the final two. Oh, hi.
Hi.
Who are you?
Karen, your neighbor. There was some trash down at the bottom of this driveway that was spilling.
Wait, trash?
I've lived in places with crazy neighbors. Salish is about to have that same experience.
I didn't drop any trash.
Oh, that trash can down there has your address on it. This is my neighborhood.
Well, isn't this my neighborhood too?
You just moved in today and you think it's your neighborhood? You little immature girl.
Salish is gonna have to calm the neighbor down by doing exactly what she says in order to win this challenge. But I haven't told Salish anything about this neighbor, so she has to go on her own instinct.
Why are you dressed like that? How old are you?
How old are you?
45. And how old are you?
14.
You're kind of dressed pretty casually for 14.
You're dressed pretty casually for 80, did you say?
Oh, she's giving it to her.
There's a little dress code in this neighborhood.
What's the dress code?
Well, it's certainly nicer than those crummy sweatpants and those skanky shoes.
What?
You actually go out that way?
My outfit's good. You're wearing skinny jeans, and those were out like a couple years ago.
She's being super sassy to the neighbor. Interesting choice.
What are you gonna do about the trash?
Monica.
She's trying to get Monica to go. Okay.
What? Me? I would never do that. Come on.
All of the other neighbors, they listen to me because I run this neighborhood, and clearly, what are you doing?
Oh, nothing. By the way, does it look good? Anyways, keep on going.
I just want a nice neighborhood. That's not a lot to ask.
All right, I'll clean it up.
Come with me, young lady. I really want to show you something. Come on, come on, come on.
Here they come, here they come. She's gonna lose it. Watch this. This might really get Salish crazy.
Over here is my property.
All right.
Over here is yours. And if I see you on this side, guess what? I'm gonna call the police. That's what.
She's just trying to push Salish's buttons. If Salish gets angry, she loses the challenge. You know, it's getting harder and harder to fool Salish nowadays.
Oh. Get
Oh,
over
my
there.
bad.
Get over there. Go clean up that mess down there. Thank
Bro,
you.
What is her deal? Oh my gosh.
Salish doesn't mind doing the trash at all, but she does mind getting blamed for things she didn't do.
These challenges are getting a little bit ridiculous, but I cannot wait to see my dad's reaction to the surprise at the end. Bro, it's literally barely... Okay? What is even wrong with her? This is the easiest thing ever. My gosh.
Here, let me help you.
Thank you so much.
Easy.
They seem pretty great together. I mean, I'm glad to know that Salish likes her. I'd be happier if she was actually going to be with her for the week, but she's just an actor.
I have a feeling that Monica is not the most trustworthy person, so I have an idea so we can test her.
Let's see it.
Sandy, I need to talk to my two roommates alone. Are you like sure that you didn't see it? Because I'm pretty sure I dropped it. Like right there.
Why would I do that? Why would I take
I already
anything?
know you're lying because I put the money right there to see if you would take it. So I already knew you took it.
Oh, this is crazy. I did not take the
Yes,
money.
you
I don't
did.
need to take money
Yes,
off
you
the
did.
floor.
You
This
did
is so
take it.
crazy. Why would you call me a liar?
I'm not calling you a liar, but you did take it.
This is so dumb. I don't even need a roommate.
What?
Did Monica just storm out? What happened? I don't even know how she figured it out. She just kicked her out. Okay, I guess that means she won the challenge.
Roommates? Yeah, same.
Salish handled the crazy neighbor really well, but let's see how she handles an angry landlord. They're even worse. They can kick you out of your home.
Who's the responsible party here?
Wanna knock next time?
I'm the landlord, okay? Which one of you is Salish?
Me?
The landlord, me, requires the rent by the end of today.
Okay.
I have mine.
You're doing it in halves?
Is that like money?
Yeah, of course. Rent is due. It's money.
Okay.
That's part of being a tenant. I hope you're following the regulations here.
I am.
You're sure? Because I'm very unsure about these young people renting apartments.
No, I'm good.
This is exactly like a landlord I had in New York City years ago because we were always late to our rent.
By the end of today, 5 p.m., or you're out, both of you.
All right.
I'm very strict about here.
Okay.
She is not as sassy as she was with the crazy neighbor. That's smart. She understands the difference.
Do you have the rent?
Yes, do you not?
No.
She's gonna have to come up with rent money by the end of the day. Salish passed all the challenges so far, but this one is gonna be hard. I'm gonna FaceTime her and tell her what to do.
Hi, Dad.
Hey, Say, if you look to your right, you'll see that your roommate is asleep on the couch.
What?
Your next challenge is to get ready for school without waking her up. If she hears anything you do or say, you're gonna lose the challenge. You only have 10 minutes to get out the door. You woke up late.
I never wake up late.
Oh, if you talk that loud, you're gonna wake her up. Okay.
Bye.
Bye, good luck.
I gotta get ready for school, I guess. I have to go really quickly because apparently I woke up late. I also have to be quiet, so I'm just gonna brush my hair really quick. Ow. Alright, the challenges haven't even been that hard, but I cannot wait for the surprise at the end. I'm not gonna tell you guys yet, but it's so good. Oh my gosh, I can't wait.
If you have a roommate, you have to be respectful, but Salish can be so loud slamming and banging when she's getting ready for school, so I don't know if she's gonna be able to pass this challenge. It's just to eat some breakfast, get ready for school, get out the door, all without waking up her roommate. She has to stay super quiet.
Ow. Guys, I have to be quiet. I think it's pretty much good. Look, my roommate is sleeping right now. I guess I'm not gonna put on any extra makeup because I don't have any time. I need to find something to like eat. Don't tell my dad I did this, but I don't really have time to eat, so I'm just gonna drink some of this. Alright, that's good for breakfast. My school keeps it freezing, so I'm just gonna bring my hoodie. I'm gonna bring some pencils. I should probably see if I can make my bed. I forgot about that part. I have to be super quiet because that would not be good if I woke her up right now. I'm gonna give you guys an update about my plan. I'm gonna make him think that I'm hosting a party, but really it's gonna be a huge surprise. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so good. I can't wait. I need to brush my teeth. So I'm just gonna put some on my finger. Ew, it's kind of gross if I don't brush my teeth. Yeah. Ew. Was that water too loud? Put some lip gloss on now, because I like no makeup. She's moving. She's moving. My teeth are all clean. I just have to leave because I don't want to wake my roommate up because that would not be good. And I lose. Okay. Okay, she just moved. Oh, she's gonna get all my school stuff. Oh my gosh, okay. I got my school stuff. Now I bet she's gotta go. That's her. I think I'm all ready for school.
She got out of it and she didn't wake her up at all. I'm about to FaceTime Salish with her next challenge.
Hey Sandy, is this the camera my dad's looking at?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Can you leave? Thank you.
Oh.
Bye, see ya. I need some privacy.
Okay.
No, Sandy, Sandy, don't leave. She can't do that.
Here's the plan. My dad can't see us anymore because I just kicked Sandy out.
My only camera was Sandy and now I can't see her. I don't know what she's doing in there.
So we're gonna make him think that I'm throwing a huge party so he comes inside.
All I know is she does not win until she completes all her challenges. She can stay inside, but it's not helping her. She still has to do the challenges.
First step, I've called a friend in.
Is that Jamie? Hey, Jamie! Jamie, what are you doing?
Hey, Jordan, I'm going to a party. Do you want to come?
A party?
The best party ever.
What?
You're more than welcome to come in if you want.
Wait, is she throwing a party?
Hey!
Hello! So happy to be here!
How are you?
She's not throwing a party. She's only allowed to have 3 people in there max, I think, or 2 or something. Like, she's gonna get busted. I'm paying for this, so if she gets busted, then I lose the money.
I brought all the stuff.
We have to make this mini house as romantic as possible.
Let's do the stairs.
I got some sweets for the table.
Let's see what Jamie brought. A bunch of roses, a bunch of snacks, true fruit, love, a lot of cupcakes. Bro, these look so good. A confetti popper thing with some sparkling thing. I low-key kind of want to pop this right now.
That's not enough sweets. We have cookies.
This has to be perfect for when he shows up. I'm gonna throw these petals. This low-key is a vibe. She's putting all these little hearts.
Lovebirds. What guy wouldn't like this?
My dad thinks I'm throwing a party, which is gonna drive him crazy, but really I'm doing something a lot better. 3, 2, 1. Woo! That jump scared me, bro, so bad. Jamie, I give you a hard time, but I actually really appreciate the help right now.
Of course.
And thank you too, Elizabeth.
Whoever he is, he's gonna love it because this is so romantic.
Thank you.
You invited guests?
Yes. Oh, thanks, guys. Come in.
I can't see anything, but what are all these people doing?
Can you go out the window and then come back in and make it look like your new guests?
I got you.
Oh, wow. All right, good job. Can you take that and disguise yourself and then come back in so my dad thinks it's a giant party?
Gotcha.
Thank you. And give this to the other people and tell them to come back.
Oh, thanks.
You got it. Wait, that was so good. Can you wear this? Sorry, thank you.
It's me again.
Do it! There's no way they're fitting in there. What is more?
I invited all of these people here to fool my dad that we're actually having a party, but they're actually gonna go right out the window. Thank you.
How many people? She can't fit that many. What is going on?
Your dad's gonna freak out, but I'll see you later.
All right, bye. All right, now that I have everybody out, I'm gonna close the shade so my dad can't see in. I'm just gonna turn on this light so it looks more party, you know? Oh, wow. It really gives party vibes. And then these blinds don't close, so I'm gonna use this calendar. I can't believe he hasn't even come in yet. I'm gonna have to try even harder and play some super loud music. I'm for sure gonna win this challenge.
Is that music? Wait a minute. Does she have music? Oh no, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Lots of people coming in. Music. What did she do?
If he steps foot in here, that means I win.
I don't know what to do. What do I do? If I go in, I lose. Look at this. I can't see anything. She's blocked off the window. It's raging.
Guys, he is totally falling for this. This is so funny. And I can be loud because there's a bunch of music right now, but look.
Any second, the actual landlord is going to come here and freak out and cut us off. I had to put down a huge deposit to make sure I didn't hurt anything in this house. And if she's having a party in there, she's going to break something.
He is falling for it so much, and this is so funny.
The neighbors are gonna like freak out. This is supposed to be a quiet residential area. It's supposed to be 2-3 people max in there. I can't see anything.
Okay, the music is so loud, but my dad is freaking out. This is so funny, guys. Look.
Are you vlogging me?
Oh my gosh.
She's in the middle of a party vlogging. Are you vlogging me? That means she's trying to drive me crazy, but there's obviously a party. Even if she's doing this to drive me crazy, I gotta go in there anyway.
If he steps foot in here, that means that I win and he loses. Bro, this is so funny. I don't know if he's gonna come in. I really hope he does, but I don't know. I just have to cross my fingers, I guess.
You know what? Forget it. I don't want to be paying a huge fee.
Yes?
Okay, all right. You win. Open up. I gotta come in. All right, everybody, break up the.
Okay, wait. I can't hear you. Let me turn down the music. All right.
Where's the party?
They all snuck out the window.
Wait, what? Why did you just do that to get me in here?
Yes.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Wait, what is this? What's the love? Who are you planning to have over here?
Well, I thought that maybe you and Mom could have like a little week getaway.
Wait, actually, this is from me and Mom?
Yeah, call her up and you guys should have like, you know, a little time.
That is actually so sweet. Wait, this is all for us? The flowers and everything?
Yep.
Okay, she's gonna absolutely and you don't want to be here?
Nope, I'm gonna go because I want to go with Hudson, but you should call Mom over here, else it's just you. By the way, you lost, just letting you know. Love you.
You are going to be out on your butt by 5 p.m. if you don't pay your rent.
Salish won that challenge, but can she survive being home alone without a roommate?
Salish thinks that because she's a teenager, she should be allowed to stay overnight all by herself in this house.
Yeah, and I don't think you can stay away a full 24 hours.
So we're gonna have a bet. The first person to give up loses, and the winner gets the Matter Cup.
It's cringy, but I want to win so that I don't have to clean any part of the house for an entire week.
Mom and Hudson are out of town. That means when I go out that door, you're all alone.
Uh-huh.
Are you good?
Oh, super scary. Just give this to me.
You're gonna be quitting, and that's gonna be mine soon.
I'm not going to be quitting.
Are you sure you're gonna be okay?
Fine. All right, what do I do first?
I have a great plan. I'm only gonna be a few minutes away. I am not coming home because I want to win the Matter Cup.
Sandy, first you have to carve it out. Rowan, Sandy, down, out, everyone out. Down, all alone.
Also, it's a really good idea for her to have some independence. She's 14 now. She should be able to stay overnight on her own. I know she can handle it. It's no big deal. I just keep telling myself that, and I'm gonna believe it. Actually, what could possibly go wrong? Right?
I am only a couple of blocks away from my house. I've got security cameras hidden all over the house to keep an eye on her, but she has absolutely no idea.
My dad is so ridiculous. He hid cameras like literally everywhere in the house and expected me not to notice them. Like, what?
This is Evan. He's the founder of Famous Birthdays. This is his place. He's letting me stay here for 24 hours to watch Salish.
My dad can't see me on this camera, but whenever I'm whispering, it's because I'm talking to you guys. But when I'm talking really loud, it's because I want him to hear me on the other cameras. He has no idea I can see all of his cameras. Look, I mean, that's ridiculous. That's so easy to find. Look at that. It's literally blinking red. How am I not supposed to see that? I just found one more camera. It's right there, behind this red thing. It's a really bad place to hide it. Ooh, I see the Top Matter trophy. This is gonna be all mine. I can't wait.
I am currently Top Matter. I won the last challenge. I like not having to clean, and I am not giving it up.
I'm about to set up something huge for later tonight. Watch. Hey, I'm all alone all day today. Can you come over today? Okay, perf.
Did she just invite somebody over to the house? Who? No, you're thinking what I'm thinking. No, there's no way.
Okay, guys. So, do you see this? We're in my dad's office right now. It is his diamond plate button. But shouldn't it be mine? I mean, I'm on his channel more than he is.
No, it's my diamond play button. I started the channel saying, it's my channel. Comment below. Is it my channel or is it Salish's channel?
Look at all the smudges on it. It's really gross. Since it's mine, I'm gonna clean it. Wow, this is so heavy. I hope I don't drop it.
What is she doing? Why is she carrying my play button to the bathroom?
Okay guys, I'm gonna switch this with something called breakaway glass. I found it in the garage. And my dad is gonna think I'm dropping the play button.
I can't tell. Is she like cleaning it?
This is the fake glass. It's really light and it's made out of sugar. Does it taste like sugar? Nope. Let's go prank my dad. This is really heavy. I don't know if I can get it.
Oh!
Yeah! Oh my! Oh no!
She broke my diamond play button.
Oh, wow.
Dude!
Oh no, my dad is gonna be so mad.
Oh man, what?
I broke his diamond play button. I mean, it is technically my diamond play button. Whoopsies.
I might just go back, actually. She could break anything in the house. Maybe I should just go back. She's like out of control. She cannot be alone. If I go home, I lose. If I call her, I lose. If I stay here, I win, but then she's gonna wreck the house. Like, what is that? Like, what are my two choices?
Since I did make a mess, I'm gonna clean it, but I don't feel like grabbing the dustpan, so I'm just gonna put it under my dad's desk. But first, some ASMR.
She's stopping the glass. What is she doing?
It's really sticky.
She would feel so bad if she did this. I know her. She's a good kid. This would make her feel so bad. I thought she was gonna get scared and call me. I didn't think she was gonna have the time of her life and wreck the house. If you think this is bad, wait until you see what she does after dark. Now she's just disappeared into her room. I don't know what she's doing. All right, I need to eat something.
I know my dad has cameras everywhere in the house, but not my room, obviously, so this is where I can talk to you guys. Since he's watching me, I'm gonna do a bunch of stuff I wouldn't normally do and see if it drives him crazy. Once he can't take it anymore, he'll come home and I will win the matter cup. Sorry if I sound weird today, but my allergies are really bad right now. My dad hates it when I put my feet on the couch.
Is this how she is when we're not home? She just puts her feet on the couch?
So what do you guys think I should do today? Give me ideas, comment below. I'm starving, I'm going to 7-Eleven to get my food for the day.
No. She's a healthy kid. She's not going to 7-Eleven to get food for the hot, is she?
Oh, I really want coffee.
Coffee? She's getting a coffee at 7-Eleven?
I don't really like 7-Eleven, but I think it'll drive him crazy, so I'm gonna eat it all day.
7-Eleven's around the corner. I'm sure she'll be back in 5 minutes.
OMG, I thought for a second that my dad was also here. Okay, I have 5 minutes to get everything I'm gonna eat all day in 7-Eleven. This is a challenge I've always wanted to try. Can I eat healthy at 7-Eleven? Let's see, reading machine maybe? Looks healthy. And obviously my coffee. How else can I eat healthy at 7-Eleven?
All right. She's not back yet.
Gum, so good breath. They have actually some healthy snacks over here. String cheese, fruit, a protein bar, definitely pretzels to go with the string cheese. Maybe this, extra blast, whatever. I'm just gonna get like a million chips because guys, I need my dad to come home. I need to drive him crazy. Let's get some candy.
She's going to 7-Eleven, she's gonna get junk food, she's gonna drink coffee. Already, I don't even know who this kid is.
None of this, obviously, because I'm vegetarian. I'm gonna get these for my brother when he comes back home.
All right, it's been 20 minutes. She's not back. I'm not panicking. Okay, a little bit. The point of a security camera is so I can keep an eye on her the whole time. Her leaving, I can't keep an eye on her.
Okay guys, there's so many flavors of ice cream, but I think I'm gonna get this huge tub of it. Perfect. Wait until you see what I do with that. It's gonna be so funny. I have a lot of things that are gonna drive my dad crazy, but first I'm gonna eat junk food for 24 hours. He's gonna be so mad at me.
It's gonna be a long day.
Jordan, you need to take a chill. Let's go for a quick walk.
I can't.
Just 5 minutes.
5 minutes. What can happen in 5 minutes? Okay, that's fine. What if we get stuck in the elevator? I'm just kidding. Okay.
She's gonna be okay.
I just turned my stairs into a slide. My dad is not gonna be happy about this.
So when I asked Evan if I could come over, he said, yeah, I've got stuff for lunch. That's lunch. Woohoo. All right, so what's she? Is she sledding down the stairs? Whoa, that's actually kind of dangerous, eh?
This is so fun.
That actually looks like a lot of fun. I would love to be there doing that with her, but alone, without asking.
Do you do this in your house? Because, yeah, I'm not allowed to do it, but today I am.
In case you're wondering why I care so much and I'm not just going back home, it's because the loser has to clean up everything for the next 2 weeks in the house. And I hate cleaning. Security cameras everywhere. I mean, I am protective. I could be there in 2 minutes if I needed to be.
Wow! That's so fun! If you think that was crazy, I've got an even better idea now. Okay, let's do this. I'm scared. Ah! Woo! Now we've got a stair tunnel.
Made it into a tunnel now? Oh, Joe! Oh! Is she okay?
Again!
Oh, she's okay. This is wearing me out, man. I want to hide under the table.
Are you gonna put a stop to this?
Well, I can't. If I go, I gotta lose.
Fine. Now it's time the 7-Eleven things.
Is she actually just getting junk food all day?
First, it's like pirate booty, but with extra cheddar. Let's try it. Point 5, I got these. Oh no, I hate peanut butter. But I gotta get my protein in. When you're shopping at 7-Eleven, you do not have, I'm just sitting all by myself here.
I've told her like 1,000 times he's not the favorite child.
Here, I'm just hovering over them. Then here, I'm also hovering up. Oops, I gotta put that together. Actually, I'll leave it.
Wait, did she just break the frame and then she's not cleaning it up? No.
I'm gonna turn this entire place into an ice cream stand.
I think I heard ice cream or something.
Neighbors, ice cream. I'm gonna be needing these shirts.
Why is she carrying all? Did she just dump my t-shirts over the balcony? Why would she do that?
I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna prank my dad.
What's she doing in the closet?
I have a bunch of his t-shirts, like all of his t-shirts, because all he wears is black t-shirts. I just taped Team Salish on each one of them, so people will get ice cream and a free shirt. This says Team Salish. Perfect. And look, guys, I took my brother's ice cream cone because he's gonna use it as a prop for a YouTube video and he never used it. So it's mine now. Sorry, Hudson.
What is she doing?
We're gonna need some cones, now some toppings. Do you guys like caramel or chocolate in your ice cream? I don't like either. Next is some peanuts, and I've actually never tried peanuts in my ice cream.
She's setting up an ice cream stand?
Now we have a different kind of cone in case people want to switch it up. And I got 3 types of ice cream. Chocolate, then caramel, and simple vanilla. Then we're gonna need some decoration to make it pop. And I'm gonna get started on my signs. I'm gonna pretend I'm charging people because my dad would hate if I charged people. Okay, $10 for an ice cream sundae.
There is no way she invited our neighbors over and she is making them pay for ice cream right now.
The neighbors are all obviously gonna give his t-shirts back, but he doesn't know that. I think I have a future in art school. Look at that. We have all 3 flavors of ice cream with our little scooper. And then we have our cones, our bowl cones, and then caramel, chocolate, rainbow, sprinkles, and cherries. Team Salish shirts. I'm Team Salish, so I'm wearing one. We have this thing that says Tastes Ice Cream Cream, then our menu. So perfect. Hi everybody, line up for ice cream. Okay, everything is $10, pick what you want.
10 of our neighbors that came over and she's charging them for ice cream?
Can I get vanilla bean, please? Yeah, of course. You guys also have to get a special shirt, okay? This is your very own Team Salish shirt. Here you go. Thank you. It might smell really bad because my dad wears them, but thanks. No problem.
Those are my t-shirts. Does that say Team Salish? Oh! Why are you giving away my t-shirts?
Thank you. No problem.
No, she's not doing that. I'm gonna look back and she's not doing what I think she's doing. Yep, she's doing it.
This is yours to keep. Thank you. You have it forever. Okay, what can I get you? Vanilla bean. Thank you. I'm gonna give this $10 back to them.
Can I get a caramel brownie in a cup with chocolate drizzle?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. Can I get a spoon too?
Yeah. Perfect. Here you go.
Thanks.
Wow, I'm making so much money on my neighbors.
This is not okay. I'm calling a neighbor. Hey, it's Jordan from next door. How you doing? Did you get ice cream from my daughter, like an invite to get ice cream?
My daughter and I, we just headed over there and we got
Oh, cool.
the best ice cream we've ever had.
She didn't charge you, did she?
Yeah, she did actually. It was,
Okay, did she give you like a t-shirt?
yeah, we got a couple t-shirts. We're definitely Team Salish.
I'll get you the $10 back. I might want to get my t-shirt back though.
Seriously, don't worry about it. We'll keep the t-shirts.
I want to give her a lecture about this, but how did I know? Because they're hidden cameras and she doesn't know they're there. You know how badly I want to call her right now? We made a deal. If we call each other, we automatically lose. So I can't call her. We're going to have a talk about this.
People can wait a minute. My dad hates when I make people wait. So I'll make them wait.
Maybe this is the person that she invited.
Hey! Hi! How's it going? Good.
Nastya? What? I thought she lived in Florida.
I bought 20,000 balls. Oh, perfect.
Are those crates in the yard? I'm so confused. Why is she carrying balls?
Perfect.
What? Okay, there's just balls all over the ground now?
This is Nastya, and Nastya, do you know why you're in this secret room? No. Because my dad has so many hidden security cameras all around the house, and this is the only place there aren't any. So this is like our base, okay? Okay.
What are they doing?
So you brought 20,000 balls, right? Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, wait until you see what we transform into a ball pit. First, let's go watch a movie, but wait till you see what we're gonna watch. It's gonna drive me crazy. Okay, let's go. Okay, there are no cameras in here either. I hate messes, but we're gonna have to make one to drive my dad really crazy. Yeah, go get the popcorn, okay? Come on.
All right, okay, this is actually sweet. Nastia is a good kid. She has her over. I guess they're making something.
Nastia, there's a camera right there. Do you see?
Yeah. I hate doing this.
Nastia, this is gonna drive my dad crazy.
Looks like popcorn? Maybe? No, you put it in a pot with a top on it.
That's a lie. Don't you think the popcorn needs a top? Nah.
It's gonna pop everywhere. You know that. You've made popcorn 1,000 times.
While we're waiting for the popcorn, let's go make our movie theater.
They're just leaving it. They're using a skillet. There's no open flame, so it's not that dangerous. It's just that it's gonna pop everywhere.
We're hiding in the pantry to make sure the popcorn doesn't like burn down the house. Yeah. But my dad does not know that. Oh, it's going crazy. Yeah. It's going everywhere. Yeah. Oh, it's making a mess. I hate messes. So obviously we're gonna clean up once he gives up and comes home. I'm definitely gonna be top matter tonight. Yeah.
It's gonna be a long night. I don't really get to eat burgers a lot with Salish, so the one advantage to not being with her right now is I get to eat meat. Yum. She's yum.
We are gonna make the most awesome outdoor movie theater. Let's go, let's go. We need snacks and we need like pillows and stuff to make a fort. This is gonna be so cool. We need this one. We have a ton more in the closet too. Throw these over.
What are they doing? They're wrecking the house. They're throwing pillows. There's balls everywhere. What?
Now we need candy, nuts, all that stuff. Do you like these? Yeah, I love these. Okay, what about these? Yeah. What about chips? Yeah. Perfect. Let's go. Okay, now let's get some stuff from the garage. A big rug and pink. Right there.
And they're building something in the backyard. Popcorn is still popping. If her mom sees this, she will go totally crazy because she's even more of a neat freak than Salish is. I have no idea who my daughter is anymore.
Right here. Perfect. It looks so good already. We need some lights out here to make it look a little brighter. One right here, and let's put like... Perfect. Now let's grab the last thing.
Wait, it looks like they're setting up for a movie, but there's no movie screen. All right, it's just the popcorn's popping everywhere.
We need candy, obviously. I love candy. We just made the most awesome outdoor movie theater. Let me show you guys. This looks so good. Okay, we've got candy over there. We've got these lights, and then we've got pillows and extra blankets.
That projector was in the secret room. That's why they went to the secret room. That's actually really cool. Why have I never done this for her? This looks like so much fun.
Nastia, do your parents let you watch scary movies? Yes. This is gonna drive him crazy. I'm pretty sure he's gonna quit after this. Mm-hmm. This is so awesome. We get to watch all these movies and annoy my dad. Wait, I forgot my DoorDash. Ta-da! Got as much pizza as you can imagine. What flavor do you want?
Did they just order like 10 pizzas on DoorDash? She's eating junk food and 5 pizza pies?
Cheers. Cheers.
As long as they're not watching like a scary movie, we're good.
I feel like that. My God, I wasn't prepared for that.
They're watching scary movies. Okay, you know what? I'm out of here. Nope, I'm not. I can't lose. She loves horror movies, but she also doesn't like to be alone after a horror movie. So I think she's gonna call me once this movie's over.
Oh my gosh, this is really scary. This is really scary, but do you want to see something even scarier? Yeah.
Are you gonna watch something scarier than that?
Oh, wow. Oh, Queen. That's so funny. It's really funny.
No. They're watching me. No. Say, actually turn it off. This is embarrassing. I did that 5 years ago. This is so embarrassing. I had to do it. I got 1 million subscribers. I said I would wear a tutu and a Leo if I did, but I never ever looked at it again because it's so embarrassing.
I'm really excited to introduce the timers today. My proud children, Hudson and Salish.
Ah, no, that's scary. OMG, this is so cringy. I can't.
Just turn it off, Say, please. Oh, she's driving me crazy.
No, don't watch. Don't watch. OMG, no.
I'm leaving. I'm done. Evan, I'm out of here. Actually, no, I can't do it. I don't want to do it. Ah!
I cannot watch him anymore. He's too cringy. Are you ready to go make a ball pit? Let's go. You know how we had a doghouse here?
Yeah.
Well, Boomer loved it, but so did a bunch of skunks, so we had to get rid of it. This is 20,000 balls, and we're gonna film my dad's office with it. It's gonna be crazy. He's gonna be so mad. I think this might get him to quit.
What are all those bins? There's like 50 bins in our house. Why are they moving my couch?
Okay. Let's pour our first batch of colors in.
No way she actually just did that.
99 puppies more to go.
They're gonna make a ball pit out of my office. All my stuff is there, Say.
Nasia, where did you get all these balls?
It's a secret.
Oh, okay. 4. This is gonna be so awesome.
Yeah.
They just keep dumping where they get thousands.
Not too bad.
There's so many balls.
This is awesome, and we still have so many more to dump.
Hey.
How many where they get thousands? And this is, just stop pouring balls in my office.
This is so cool.
There's so many balls. 1, 2.
Don't jump.
Whoa! I don't know how we're gonna get all of these balls out of the room. Okay, I think something's lost in here. Oh, my trophy! This is gonna be mine soon.
Oh God, they're throwing them everywhere.
This is 20,000 balls. I don't know how we're gonna get them out. Maybe we can just leave them in.
Yeah.
Okay, fine, I quit. I'm going. No, I can't do it.
When you're done in here, do you want to go make s'mores in the backyard?
Yeah.
Great, let's make a fire in the backyard to cook the s'mores.
She just said make a fire in the backyard.
Okay, I'm gonna go get stuff for the fire.
Okay, I'll be in 1 minute.
I don't know what to do. I think she's gonna make an actual fire for real. No. Okay, I gotta go.
I have a feeling that this is gonna be mine any minute now.
No. Sailors, do not burn the house down. I'm almost home. Let's just take it easy. Let's just breathe. Let's just chill. What did you do?
What?
My whole office. Wait, is there a bonfire? What?
Oh, wait, Dad, you fell for it?
Fell for what?
I knew you would do it. Now I'm top ladder finally.
Wait, did you know I was watching you?
Obviously, there are like 100 cameras around the house.
Wait, you saw those cameras? Whoa,
Yes.
Whoa, oh, you just pranked me this whole time?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Well, say goodbye to this and good luck cleaning up.
What do you mean cleaning up?
Well, you know the rules. Being top ladder, you don't have to clean for a week.
What?
No, so you do not make that fire.
How did she know I was... Oh, that's so obvious. She knew the whole time? Rowan! I'm not cleaning this.
I quit.
Hey!
I heard you lost top matter. Whoa! This is awesome.
Why don't you play here and then help me clean up, okay?
I have a super important business call.
You're not gonna help me?
No. Is that supposed to be a hidden camera?
I know. It wasn't very well hidden. I know. Oh, you... Okay, I quit. 2 years ago, Salish and her best friend tried to be alone for 24 hours with 2 kids. Let's see how that worked out. Are you guys ready to be parents for 24 hours?
Yes, this is so easy. What do? You like feed them and they go to bed.
Okay, I'm gonna transform you right now into the way parents actually look first thing in the morning.
Who are these kids?
Who are they? Oh my
You
God.
are now parents for the next 24 hours. That's Mila. That is Noah. Meet your new kids.
What? Our kids? I don't want kids yet.
There are a series of parenting tasks on that refrigerator. If you complete them all in 24 hours, you will get the best present any parent could ever wish for. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right.
First one. Come on, Nina.
Change Noah's diaper.
No. You're a boy. Go ahead.
No, girls do this.
No. Girls do not do this.
I'm not changing.
No, but you're a boy.
Yeah, girls do diapers.
Did he just say only girls change diapers?
That's so unfair.
I don't know where baby's diaper would be. Maybe upstairs.
This is Anis. This is Asala from the Anazala family. And we are going to be here the whole time. Otherwise, they will burn the house down, no doubt.
Oh, he's so cute.
I'm coming.
Can you stand by yourself? Can you? Oh.
She's so cute. I'm Team Salish.
Come on, we're waiting for your dad.
No baby diapers.
It's getting kind of stinky down here. Noodle, hurry!
I'm trying to look.
It's okay. It's okay.
Really? They were there the entire
at a time. Can you sit? Sit. Good boy. Okay, this is actually a bad idea.
Yeah, just do it on the floor.
Boys do it.
No.
If it's a boy, at least pull his pants down. It's okay. Dirty. Booties. I never do it.
Pull the strap. Just pull that strap. Right here, right here.
Ew.
Don't show that on camera.
Ew.
Wow.
It's warm.
I'm literally about to throw. Where's the trash can?
What is he doing?
I don't think that was the garbage can, but whatever.
We finished the diaper change. What's next? Make breakfast. Make breakfast? Let's just take everything out. Here, get the milk. You're tall. Put it on the counter. Whipped cream, because that's always healthy. I'm not touching the bacon. Girl, I'm vegetarian. Go-gurt kids always love, right? Pink. Pink yogurt. Being a parent is so easy. I think we have 2 kids. Whatever. But anyway, I think we should start on the eggs. Needle.
Okay, I'll make eggs and you can
No,
make...
I'm making eggs.
No,
You're
I'm making eggs. No, I'm making eggs. I'm making eggs.
I'm making the eggs.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
We are not making bacon. Not in my house. I'm a vegetarian and everybody should be. Ew. Ew. We are making pancakes.
No. Oh, no, no. I got a shell in.
I don't think I'm gonna measure. I will do it.
Okay, I guess I can put this. I guess you use a whisker.
Mila, put just milk in there. It doesn't matter. 2 cups.
I found a bowl. Wait, that's 30.
Oh, the whiskey.
Might have burnt out a little bit.
It's spilling. It's spilling. You're good. What did I get? Oh, that's not what you cook eggs in.
There we go. Maybe kids aren't supposed to have hot sauce, actually.
You like chocolate? Yeah. Chocolate. Oh, look, that's a lot of chocolate. Oh no, there's no more chocolate. I want some more chocolate. You're on pancakes now, and I'm gonna set up the cereal, making some chocolate milk, because kids love that, obviously.
You gotta mix all of that in. Here you go. Now you try.
Jump, jump, jump. We did a big mess, yes. Oh, you want a whipped cream? Oh. Hey! Enough fighting. Parenting is hard.
When you're done with this video, you gotta go check out their channel because they also did a collab with Salish and Nadal.
I gave my card to Salish and Nadal for 24 hours, and you can only imagine the damage that's been done to this card.
We are each giving away an iPhone 13. All you have to do, subscribe to the Anazala family, subscribe to this channel, and then comment on you could win an iPhone 13.
I want more chocolate syrup. Oh, now you're sugared up. Yum.
Here, Mila. Here's your chocolate milk.
I was a girl, not a baby. Wow. Oh, wow. That's one big pancake.
Well, I'm a responsible parent. They're just messing around and having food fights.
Nice. Oh my God. What happened? It's burning. Clean up.
Girls don't appreciate anything.
So we're just gonna put some Lucky Charms on. Ew. I don't see why that's appealing, but okay. Yum yum. Do you want to sit down?
Okay, time for the pancakes.
Oh, what? That looks disgusting. I think that went really well. What's next? Clean the kitchen? No! We have to clean the kitchen.
Oh, that's your job. Don't look at me.
Oh boy. Noodle, I need some help.
Cleaning's for girls.
Dang it! I missed him. Dang it! I missed him too. We gotta get showered. Whoa. Okay, now we look a lot cleaner because we were so messy. Let's look at the next thing on our list. Go grocery shopping? How are we gonna get there?
Hey, how about we call service?
That's a good idea. Here, let's use the phone. Let's try to find it. Yeah, call it.
Yeah, I would like to get a car.
Okay, what kind of car would you like to get?
A Tesla.
Okay. Is there a specific color you like?
Pink. The new model.
The new model.
Okay. When did you need it?
Today.
Right now.
Okay. What credit card do you want to use?
MasterCard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right. Well, listen. I don't have a Tesla for you today, but maybe another day.
Wow. Thanks. Wow.
She's hung up.
Guys,
That was real.
That was a real call? I thought that was a person. That was not. That was a fake person. That was a fake person. Let me look at the location. Stop. No, I feel so bad. I thought it was an us or somebody downstairs. You're so embarrassing, Salish. How do we get to the grocery store? We're gonna have to walk. Well, as responsible parents, we have to get our kids, put them in their strollers, and walk. Let's go. We have to get our grocery shopping bags. We have to get Noah. We have to get the strollers. Me, I put my shoes on. You get the stroller and get Noah. Okay. Nita, come here. Do you have any money to go grocery shopping? I have $11 total. No, that's barely any. We need way more. Yeah, I know. Okay. I spent all my money. I got grocery money. Okay, come on. We forgot Noah. You look so cozy. I'm a great parent, am I? Do you like me or Daddy more? You. You guys don't hurt it. She likes me better than Noodle. Okay, done. And I'm so excited we got money. Go straight. Wait, turn. My goodness, I'm so tired. Okay, guys, are you ready? Mila, what do you want to eat? A little candy. You want candy? I think we're gonna do vegetables today, okay? We need to get vegetables. No, candy aisle. Candy's not healthy for the kids. No. No, candy's my favorite. Do you like apple and banana, Mila? No, I want some candy. I will get all the candy. I'll put this inside here. What? No, we're not doing candy. I found this. No, yeah. Look, I got those. Those are my favorite. I got chocolate. Okay. Cookies. Yeah, cookies. No. That's too much candy. This is my heaven. So many fruits and vegetables. Okay, and we'll replace all this candy. Do you like orange? No. Yeah. Do you like tomato? Yeah, you like tomato. I don't like tomato. Okay, well, you're gonna have it. Have you ever had grapefruit? It's so good. We have a budget of 40, so we should get out all this candy and replace it with apples, carrots, all these good veggies. We're gonna raise a good vegetarian. Salish, I got dinner. No. We do not eat meat in this household. Look at this one. No. Do you wanna be vegetarian? No. Do you know what vegetarian is? If you bring that meat home, I am filing a divorce. Well, I'd rather eat meat than be with you. How are you gonna cook that meat? My skills, I know how to actually cook a really good steak. You have skills. Obviously, I am the better cook. We're done. Bye. I don't even know who you are anymore. I'm done with you. Take the baby, I'm taking this one. It's okay, Mommy and Daddy fight sometimes. Okay, we're friends again.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Sleep!
Oh, it's the next.
Today, my daughter Salish surprises her best friend Nadal with a super fun scavenger hunt.
You did not just let go of your clue.
He's been stuck at home for 2 months recovering. She is hoping to make him really happy and also help him walk again. But what she doesn't know, at the end, Nadal will try a back handspring for the first time since his injury.
Nidal! This is my best friend Nidal's house. And I'm about to surprise him with a super fun scavenger hunt. If he does everything I say, he gets this mystery present. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. I'm gonna surprise him and give him this first clue. Okay, let's go in. Where is he? No, where is he?
Wait. Hello.
Oh, hi, by the way. Hi. Nidal! Wake up! Nidal!
Salish?
Good morning. There's a scavenger hunt. Read this clue.
Hey, wait. I'm so confused. Why are you here?
Nadal has been in his house recovering since we saw him last month. And if you don't know what happened to him, watch this video.
I have so many questions. Okay, I'll read it. Find the red car, but open the trunk before you go far.
Find the red car.
He's been feeling really frustrated being stuck at home for months. So Salish made this plan where she's going to give him an awesome day and at the end, somehow, help him walk again. Let's see how that goes.
So where's the red car?
Just look out the window.
What? That's so cool. Wait, do we get to ride around in it all day?
Yeah.
Actually?
Yeah, come on, let's go. You're gonna have to do everything I say for the rest of the day.
What? No.
Yes. Here, I got the key. Do you want to hurry up a little bit? Oh, there we go. Oh, are you okay?
Yeah.
There we go.
Open. What? Oh my
Yeah.
God, there's so much candy. I'm gonna get this.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Oh yeah, those are my favorite.
There you
sauces. Water.
Oreos.
Coconut water.
Goldfish.
I'm set. Is that a gift for me?
Well, you have to get through the rest of the day until you get that.
What is it?
You'll find out at the end of the day. You have to make sure you say yes to everything I say today.
Okay.
Since Nadal got his cast off, he's been using a boot or crutches, but he started to walk short distances. Salish's plan is get him to walk a mile by the end of the day.
What?
This is really tight, by the way. It's also going to be a disaster for my hair.
Destruction at the home. Whose handwriting is this? Oh.
You did not just let go of your clue. Are you kidding?
I was trying to open it and then the wind took it.
Now we have to go back to get the card.
You're not going to know where we're going, so you got to get the card to figure it out. It's right there. No way. 1 minute in, I'm already running in the middle of the street. No, it's fine. It's going away. Don't go away. Stop. Here comes cars. Ah! Success.
Destruction at home would get you in trouble, but at this place, you're supposed to leave rubble. Are you supposed to break things at this place?
Ooh, okay, you're getting closer.
A construction site?
No.
Jordan's home?
You mean my house?
Yeah.
No. Where can you break things? It starts with an R.
Rage room?
Yeah.
Okay, what?
Perfect.
Wait, we're actually going to a rage room?
Yeah.
Oh, I love rage rooms.
I think you've probably been frustrated sitting at the house for the last 2 months, so you can get your frustration out now.
Oh, this is about to be nice. Okay, well, the wind's like getting everywhere.
All they're caring about is their hair.
Look like Winnie the Pooh gave you that haircut.
You keep talking about haircuts because Salish is going to give you one later.
No, I'll let her cut my hair if I cut your hair.
Oh, I don't know, dude.
All right, Jordan, go into sports mode already.
Oh, you want sports mode?
Yeah, go sports.
Drive mode sport. Here it comes. Ready?
Okay, gas it.
Set, go. Woo! Yes!
Oh, my hair. This is gonna be such a fun day, and at the end of it, I can teach you how to walk.
I already know how to walk.
Sure you do.
I'm sorry, dude, but if you're not going to wear your boot, I got to carry you.
The doctor said I can walk if it doesn't hurt too much.
Okay, Nadal,
This is
just
better than nothing. Whoa. Wait, do we get to break anything here?
You can break
anything?
anything you want.
Whoa! This was my idea, but I didn't know I would have to look like a bee person.
You mean a beekeeper?
Yeah, same thing.
First person at 3 points gets to drive the Mustang.
What?
Oh.
That's a bad idea. I'm going to let one of you drive the Mustang. Point number one, whichever one of you can hit this glass with this bat from there. I can't be in here because I don't have protective gear on and I don't trust you guys at all.
Okay, bye.
Cameramen, take care of yourselves, please. I'll be out here watching.
Okay.
All right, Say, let's do it. Hit that glass.
Oh, he actually got it. First try. Wait, what?
Oh my God! Wow! You got it on
Dang.
the first shot. Are you kidding? Now Nadal's turn. He's got to hit only this glass with that bat.
Well, not the bottom one.
If you hit the bottom one, it doesn't count.
Oh,
Say
yeah,
this is
yeah.
already winning 1-0.
Okay.
She's the one driving the Mustang unless you bring your game.
Okay.
Oh, he hit the camera.
Oh my God, I broke a phone. Oh, it didn't break.
Is the phone broken? It was an iPhone.
Hey, we got a beautiful angle.
I should give you a point just for hitting that. And when we're done with this challenge, you get 5 minutes to destroy anything you want. in
Oh,
here.
but
Here she goes. Oh, she missed it. Oh, it broke everything, but it didn't count as a point.
I broke something.
Oh, it's filming. That was awesome. Way to go. Didn't count as a point, though.
What?
No, because you hit the bottom. Replay. That was a good crash, though. Hit the glass without hitting the bottom part.
I would move.
Get me out of here. All right, Salish. I don't trust her. I got to be out here. Oh!
Yes.
Nadal, I thought you were an athlete. Oh, he did it! He did it! It's all tied up!
I got it!
Dude, nice shot. For the final round, whoever hits this glass off that head first wins driving the Mustang. Salish for the win. Can you hit the glass? Mustang up. Oh, that was so far away. No, Salish, your turn. She did it! Salish won!
She hit the dummy.
Replay. Oh, she hit the dummy. Keep going. Another glass.
It's way harder than it looks.
Somebody's driving the Mustang today. It's a bad idea, right? Nadal, as soon as you hit this, you guys get to break everything.
Oh!
Nadal won that round.
I guess he gets to drive the best game.
Woo! And now you guys get 5 minutes to break whatever you want.
So all your anger, you can just go free for like 5 minutes, okay?
Wait, are you not gonna do it with me?
I'm scared of you, so bye.
So you've been like just cooped up in your house for like months.
Yeah.
And you're getting a little stir crazy, right?
Yep.
And you need to take it out somewhere, right?
Yeah.
So let's take it out. Get me out of here, get me out of here, get me out of here.
It is so great to see Nadal finally releasing some of his frustration.
He's going to town.
Get that anger out, Needle.
Stupid wheelchair. The crutches. The cast. The wheelchair. Stuck in my room.
Remember, Nadal, if you do everything Salish says today, you get whatever in this box.
Is it breakable?
I don't know.
Good, let's find out.
No, actually, no.
Nadal seems really angry right now, but he'll be very happy when he attempts a back handspring later in the day.
We're gonna do a thumbnail, but really she's gonna get to cut his hair. And go, hold the bangs, just pull the, yes, there we go. And act like you're, turn the scissors this way.
I'm scared.
Yeah, there. Good, ready? Now, Salish, actually do it, for real. I'd give you $100,000.
I wouldn't do it. I would feel so bad.
He has to do everything you say, Salish. If you
No.
tell him to cut his hair, he's got to.
I don't feel bad.
Salish has cut Nadal's hair before as a prank, but this time she's concerned about his feelings and chooses not to do it.
Yeah, see, your daughter's sweet, unlike you. No, get out of here.
Okay.
Get out of here. Is that a T? Salish, can I please write the notes next time?
I wasn't even trying. You love doing this
No, I know.
so much you could almost go pro.
I got it. Oh.
Once you're here, you'll see me in Digital Amigo.
What does that even mean?
What do you do that's digital that you love? When you were like 12 or 11, what did you teach me how to do?
Use private tabs?
Whoa!
You taught me how to do something and then I crashed into the table.
Oh, VR.
One of Nadal's very favorite things to do has always been immersive VR, but he hasn't been able to do it since his surgery until right now. So we're gonna play a game of laser tag. Nadal versus Salish. Loser gets a consequence. Are you guys ready?
Wait, consequence?
Ready, set, go!
Zone.
Today, my daughter Salish adopts Farhan from the royalty family and instantly regrets it.
You're burning this new trampoline. My baby brother is being annoying.
Stop!
I am so excited because I do have an older brother, but lately I've been wanting a younger sibling that I can just boss around. He's here. Hi.
Hi.
Look, guys, my baby brother came.
Baby brother? We're literally the same age.
I'm older than you.
I kind of like this couch, honestly. From here on, this is my spot. That's your spot.
No.
Oh, yeah, this is definitely my spot.
That's always been my spot.
too late now.
That's always been my spot.
I like it more.
Whoa! Didn't you just get here 30 seconds ago? You guys are already bickering like siblings?
No, this has always been my spot. Well, what was that about Salish?
At the end of the day, Salish will be given an unlimited credit card and have to decide, does she spend it on herself or on her new brother?
Okay, wait, stop. Now, where? Farhan,
Yes?
welcome to our home.
Thank
It's
you.
so nice to have you here.
Thank you so
Is this
much.
all you brought, or do you have anything else?
No, I have a couple more stuff. Actually, can you come help me?
More things?
Yes, outside. Come on.
There's already this huge backpack.
No.
What else could he bring? I mean, where's he planning on putting it?
Salish and her brother Hudson have a great relationship and they hardly ever argue, but this experience with Farhan, I think, is showing her what sibling relationships are usually like, and we'll see how she handles it.
All right, so I brought a few things. Check it out.
Wait, you brought a U-Haul? Why did you bring a U-Haul? How much stuff? Why so much stuff?
I'm just moving in.
Where are you gonna put all of this stuff?
Don't worry, I have a plan. Just help me take this out, all right? Please don't drop it. Please don't drop it.
My baby brother, I should have to do this.
I'm not your baby brother.
You can get all this stuff. I'm right in the chair.
What?
Woo! This is really fun and all, but where is this stuff gonna go? We don't have that many extra rooms in the house.
All right, everybody, this way, please. Go ahead and put it inside my room. Yeah, be careful with that one. Perfect. Thank you so much. Hey, that's a little bit heavy. Just watch out. Just please don't crash, okay? Thank you so much,
Inside of
Salish.
your room?
Yeah, in my room.
Which room?
It's upstairs.
There are rooms.
Just go. It's fine. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, you're welcome.
This is gonna be awesome.
Okay, so where's our room?
My room is right over there.
Oh, perfect. All right, let me go check it out. Yeah, just give me 1 second.
That's my room. That's not our room.
This is
No.
okay.
This is actually my room.
Oh, I got a damn.
Wait, I'll tell you how I was thinking
No.
Okay, he's gonna move into her room? This is gonna be interesting.
Usually I have a no boys allowed in my room policy, but you're my baby brother, so obviously
I'm not a
you're
baby.
allowed. You're my baby brother.
Okay, no more of that baby brother stuff.
You're my baby brother. This is my room. You cannot move into my room.
Of course I'm going to. I'm gonna settle in here. I'm gonna make it.
No, this is my room.
having a brother or sister is you compromise, say.
Exactly. Okay, fine.
Okay.
I can compromise.
Okay, so compromise, work together.
Okay, I'm so sorry, Fran. So basically, my compromise. This is my bed, obviously, and that's your bed. Try it out.
Why do I gotta sleep on this little bed? My feet are sticking out. The monsters are gonna get my feet.
You still believe in monsters?
I want to sleep on the bed.
Baby
so you're gonna have
brother,
to sleep here.
If you have a baby brother,
Stop bickering! Oh my gosh, they've been here 30 minutes and already they've bickered every single second. Look, take a breath, work together, compromise.
Tell her to compromise.
Tell him to compromise.
I'm outta here.
Fine. You can make something a little bit more personal as long as you don't change my room at all.
Okay, you know what? I won't change anything, okay?
You promise?
Okay, yes. I'm just gonna surprise you, okay? Just walk out. Just
Wait, surprise me with what?
You'll see.
You're not changing anything, though.
I won't change anything. Don't worry about
You
it.
are not.
Psych. She thought.
This baby brother thing is not working out how I thought it would. I mean, he's not listening to me like I thought, and he's kind of taking over. But we'll see what he does to this room.
I feel like it's a little bit girly. Who needs all of these pillows? Like, I don't need this one, we don't need this one, we don't need this one, not this one either. I think we'll just keep one. 2 years ago, Salish came into my house and she ruined my room. And ever since that day, I've been wanting to get her back. Let's go. Well, this picture's kind of nice, but I think I can find something better. That's so much better.
They are already bickering so much that I just decided I'm gonna give them a huge test at the end of the day to see if they can treat each other the way siblings should treat each other, with respect and generosity. We'll see.
All right, now it's time to make this room look awesome.
Okay, Fran, are you ready yet? Come on.
Okay, I think I'm ready. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
What did you do to my room?
Welcome to our new room.
What the heck? You said you wouldn't change anything.
I just changed a little bit of things, but wait.
No.
You know what? I did kind of give you like a little surprise. I'm a lot taller, so this is gonna be my bed because I'm taller.
No, this is my bed.
Don't worry about it, because I got you your own little bed, and
I will not even fit in this. I can't even
there you go,
fit
that's
this.
yours. All
what
right.
the heck? You're YouTube black?
Yeah, no, leave that on there.
Why is there a skateboard in my bedroom? You don't even skateboard. This is going down.
Hey, no, don't rip it.
This is my room. You can't just redo
What's your
it.
bed?
I am gonna go to bed.
No, because this is what.
Whoa!
He changed my entire room.
What is happening?
I did not change your entire room. She's just being annoying.
Actually, this looks pretty good. Yeah.
Girl?
For real.
Is this your gaming setup?
Yes, my gaming
setup.
setup.
Sweet. I could totally get down with this.
Okay, picking sides, Dad.
I'm not picking sides.
This was my room.
This is fire.
Salish, your little brother put a lot of effort and time in, and you should show him how much you appreciate it.
Hey, Dad! Dad!
Whoa, okay. Stop! You're driving me crazy. Siblings have to be able to get along together. Please find something that you can bond over.
Okay, you ruined my room. I can't bond over anything
please,
with
just
you.
look. I have an awesome idea. Okay, look.
Fine.
Okay?
That's a good
Let's
idea.
go, let's go.
Come on.
Go downstairs, come on. Okay, so I need to fill this up with water and ice.
Bro, what's the broom for?
You'll see. Just watch.
Dad, we have magic trick, Dad!
We can make the water disappear. You just have to hold it.
Okay.
There you go. Hold it.
We have a magic trick.
Okay.
We're gonna make the water disappear.
Okay.
In 3, 2, 1.
What do you... No.
Yeah.
No, what are you doing?
Yeah, you have to get it done yourself.
How am I... What? No, come on, actually.
Good luck, Dad. Good luck.
I can't get it down.
So sad.
Sandy, actually,
Yay,
Rowan.
let's go.
Rowan, tell Rowan. Rowan, Sandy. Ow, my arms are burning. My arms are seriously
Just let
actually
go.
burning. Ouch, my arms are burning. Get me
Just
out
let
of here.
go. 3, 2, 1.
No way!
Good job.
I liked it better when they were bickering. Sandy, how's my hair? Is it bad? Oh, okay. Siblings these days.
I have an idea, and it's gonna be much more fun, okay?
What?
You have to stay here, though. I'll be right back. You're gonna love it. Oh, Salish is gonna love this.
Having a little brother is really fun when we're not bickering.
Oh, let's go. Okay, Salish.
What are you getting? I'm not sure about this. I don't want a basketball hoop.
Just wait. Just slide it over right there, and I'll be right back.
What are you doing?
You're on the Clippers, right? And I'm on the Lakers,
I
okay?
have to wear a hot, heavy jersey right now?
Yes, just put on the jersey, okay? You're Paul George, and I'm LeBron James, okay?
No, I want to be LeBron.
No, everybody knows LeBron is better, and that's why I got him.
Who Paul is.
I have one more thing. I'll be right back, okay?
This might be my back to school look, you know? My first day back to school. I mean,
all right, Salish, I got it. This is gonna be awesome. This is the 3-point line.
You're just drawing on my trampoline?
Doesn't matter. It's the 3-point line.
You're drawing on my trampoline?
Give it to me real quick. Really quick. Oh,
what the heck?
Just trust me. It's gonna look awesome.
But you're ruining this new trampoline. I love this trampoline. It's like the best thing ever. We just got it.
Doesn't matter. I'm making it better. Let's go. LeBron James dribbling. Fourth quarter. He's got 3 seconds. 2, 1. Oh, the absolute goal.
Baby brothers.
Get dunked on. Let's go. Now that I'm moving in, I have to write my name on the trampoline.
What? No. You know what? I am done.
No, stop it. No, my name.
This is my house.
Hey, stop, no way. No, my feet. Okay.
Much better. He's driving me crazy. I thought all brothers were sweet. I'm so lucky to have Hudson as my big brother.
To stop the bickering, I've decided to have them do something that brothers and sisters love to do together, make fresh pizza. Hudson and Salish do it all the time. Now it's up to you guys. All I'm saying is be nice and enjoy.
Okay, I got you.
Okay?
Watch exactly how I do it. You're my little brother, and I know how to make pizza.
Well, actually, I'm better at making pizza than you are, so
I mean, look,
I'm not
mine's
gonna
like a
listen to you.
perfect-
Pizza's actually not a square, so.
Well, I like mine to be a square.
Can you hurry up, please? I need to use it. Oh my God. Use this. That's it. Stop. I'm gonna call Dad. Dad!
What is going on? What are you doing? No, stop. Is this the way it always is with siblings?
Stop!
Okay, stop.
Dad!
Stop, or I'm gonna take away your pizza privileges.
No.
Okay.
I'm washing my hands. Now our pizzas are pretty much done.
No, my pizza isn't done. The only thing I'm missing is pepperoni.
Oh, we don't have any in this house. It's a vegetarian household.
I'm still gonna go find some pepperoni.
No, you're not. No! Don't you leave the house!
What type of house doesn't have meat?
Oh, he's driving me so crazy. You know what? I'm gonna ruin his pizza. What should I do to his pizza? I could put hot sauce, I could put sugar, maybe some salt. Maybe I could put a miso soup. I'm gonna ruin it in a bunch of ways. What absolutely does not belong on a pizza? Oh, vanilla. Let's go get some extra salt. I would never do this to Hudson, but my baby brother is driving me crazy. I have to. Let's grab some salt. I have to hurry. I got some miso soup broth, which would not be good on a pizza. Then I'm gonna add some salt. This is gonna take a long time. Last but not least, a little bit of vanilla. Smells really good, but not on pizza. Okay, now some cheese to cover it. Perfect, now let's put it all back. Act like this never happened.
All right, guys, I'm back from the store. I got my pepperoni and I got a little something special for Salish. Just watch. I'm back!
Oh my gosh, how long does it take to get pepperoni?
I'm back! Wait. There's something in the bathroom. You gotta go check it. Like, I'm serious. Like, go check it. Run.
Oh my God.
Pickles. Salish, it's so scary, right?
What is it?
It's a, I don't know. It's a spider. That was way too much pickles.
You are driving me crazy.
I gotta hurry up.
A spider. That's the best that you could do.
Yeah, that's the best I can do. Also, I kind of put your pizza in the oven just because like I'm such a big, no, need to open it. Just because I'm such a good little brother, you know, I'm just helping you out. Let me just add some pepperoni real quick. Okay, cool, I got it.
That's disgusting. Little baby brother.
Not a baby.
Okay, friends, it's time to eat our pizzas. I'm really excited.
Okay, why don't you take a bite?
You too. Three,
together.
2, 1.
What is that? Why is it so salty?
Why is mine so pickly? Did you?
No, you did! You added salt to mine?
Yeah, but did you add pickle juice to mine?
I'm not saying yes or no, but that's disgusting.
Why
did you raise me? No!
Why are you
added salt before mine? I was really excited for this because it's
Whoa! Stop! actually stop. Wow, that's just one thing too many. Turn around. You guys have been bickering all day, and I don't think you really realize exactly how lucky you are. So we're gonna go to the mall.
Oh, mom!
And I'm gonna teach you how to behave properly with one
All right, cool, yeah.
Let's go.
Safe.
I don't think they heard this. Well, you guys have left me no choice, but a parenting trick when the siblings are bickering, you have to wear a get-along shirt.
What? I'm not wearing that. Ron, you're my favorite person ever.
Too late.
Oh my God.
No, too late.
You're gonna ruin my hair. Why'd you have to write get along on it?
So you'll remember.
Oh, it falls dirty.
What is this thing? What is it?
$100.
I will give this to you, and you can go spend it wherever you want, but you have to compromise on a store.
All right, let's go. Okay, here, Sarah. Come on, come on.
Where are you gonna go?
Let's go Lululemon.
Lululemon? No. We're going to Nike. Let's go.
Every parent should get one of these. These two need it.
Stop it, my baby brother is being annoying.
No, I need Air Jordan. Yeah. You're gonna break the shirt. Okay, now we're good. Well, I want to go to Nike because I need some new shoes.
Well, I want to go to Lululemon because I just want to look around there. I need more tank tops.
No, you don't. You have enough. We're breaking the shirt.
Oh my gosh, baby brothers.
Okay, how about we go to Apple?
I need more outfits for gymnastics. Okay, I am turning the other way.
No, let's go. We're going. Okay.
That way.
Okay. You know what? I'll be a good little brother. Now go this way. Okay, now let's turn around.
No!
Yeah, you gotta compromise.
Okay, how about we go eat food or I don't even know.
No, but if we go eat food, we won't even have enough money to spend on shoes.
Okay.
We're going to Nike.
Oh, I have an actual idea.
What's your idea?
I know you need to sleep with a teddy bear every night, so we could go to Build-A-Bear and make you one.
All right.
Yay!
Okay, let's go.
You know what? I have an idea.
Oh, no. Okay, all right. Tell me where to go.
How sweet is that? This is classic sibling behavior. 1 minute they're bickering, the next minute they're best friends.
I love my baby brother.
If they pass the get-along shirt test, I have one final challenge for them to see if they can really get along.
Imagine how many people are laughing at us.
Oh, Paw Patrol. This is a big decision, Fran.
Dude, no, it's not. Just get this one. It's pink.
Ew, no.
You like pink?
Wait, actually?
Yeah, it's kind of cute.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. No, we're taking it. Come on.
No, we're not.
Bro, why don't
No, we're
you?
not.
Oh my God.
There, take that one.
Okay. It's the literal exact same thing.
Hey, Farhan. I just wanted to make sure that you always remember me because obviously I'm your favorite person in the world. Perfect.
Hey, Say, this is your little brother. I hope you remember me because I know you love me. See you soon.
Oh, wow.
That's working great. I mean, they're laughing, they're having fun, they compromise, they're getting teddy bears for each other. If you're a parent out there, get a long shirt. It works.
All right, so we're gonna go finish our bears. On to the next part.
Oh, whoa.
On to the next part.
So you guys are happy.
I love my teddy
I love Bartholomew.
You're not bickering anymore.
Not really.
I have one final brother-sister challenge for you. I'm about to give you each a credit card.
All right.
And you can go to one store each and buy whatever you want. You have 10 minutes and you go to one store. And you have to decide, are you going to buy something for yourself or something for your sibling?
Okay, I get the gold one. See you later.
10 minutes. Okay, so what do you think's going to happen? Are they going to buy something for themselves or for each other? Big sibling test.
I really want to go to the Apple store, but it's too far away. So I think I'm going to just go get the most expensive brand new kicks I can get. Let's go.
I have the card and I know exactly what I'm gonna get. It has something to do with the Apple store, but it's really far away, so we gotta run.
Ooh, these are actually kind of fire. I like the green on them. Ooh, all right. I like the all white. What do you think? Ooh, more LeBrons. I like this colorway. One of my favorites, I love me some Dunks.
It's tempting, but I have a better idea.
All black Air Forces. I'm joking. I really don't like these. They got so many options for Crocs, but Crocs aren't expensive. If I'm using Jordan's golden card, I gotta go all the way to the top.
I kind of wanted to get myself something, and then I remembered that Needle has been wanting something for so long, and I really want to get it for him, so we're at the Apple store. Can you guys guess what I'm gonna get him? Oh wait, I said Needle. I meant Fran. Okay, come on.
What is the most expensive, coolest trending shoes that you guys got?
About $200.
These are so cool. I like the black and purple. I'm gonna wear these like every single day. You guys have these in a size 7.5?
Well, here you go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Jordan actually said that I can either buy something for myself or something for my sister, but you know, Salish is sweet, but I can't miss out on these. I'm sorry, Salish.
So did you guys both get something?
Yep.
Yeah?
Ready? Close your eyes.
Okay, I'll close my eyes.
I'm gonna put it in your lap, and you have to guess what it is.
Okay, okay, is it a Lego?
No. The oven.
No, you did
Do
not.
you like them?
Of course I like them. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Oh my gosh.
I've heard you talking about them so much.
I know, I really wanted these. So you spent all of your money for something for me?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
That was really awesome. You want to show us what you got?
Yes, I want to show you. Ready?
Okay.
I got a little something, okay?
Okay.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
You got Lululemon?
For you.
Thank you.
For you to do gymnastics.
So you didn't get anything for yourself?
I was tempted. In the end, I thought it'd be more special if I gave it to my big sister.
Thank you so much. I'm gonna wear it to gymnastics tomorrow.
Guys, what do you want to see?
I want to see Barbie.
Meg.
Huh? Meg?
I've
No.
already seen Barbie three times.
I don't care where you're...
Right now, go see the Royalty Family video where they actually go to school together for the first time this year. Don't watch this anymore. Go see Royalty Family right now. This is madness!
Today, my daughter Salish and her friend Farhan see how long they can hide in an amusement park without getting caught by me or a police officer.
This is an embarrassing photo of my daughter Salish, and if I can find her, I get to post it on a billboard in Los Angeles.
They have 1 minute to hide.
Go, 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 go.
Salish and Farhan have to complete 10 mystery challenges.
Are you single or are you taken?
All right, what's the next challenge?
No! Oh my God, Salish! What the heck?
To make it harder for me to tag them, they have 2 security guards to keep me away. Security,
Stop, guys! My dad is right there.
Oh, shoot! Ah!
Security is grabbing it.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Go, Jordy, go! Salish, I'm coming for you, little girl!
Keep running, say, let's go! Oh my gosh, where are you taking us?
I don't know.
This is Officer Walker with the Los Angeles Police Department, and he's gonna help me find the kids. I think that's only fair because they have security guards, right?
Makes sense to
Are
me.
you ready? I think they're about to run out of time. Come on, let's go, let's go.
Go here. All right, this is perfect, right here. So read the first challenge.
Find the scariest ride.
What if we ask somebody what the scariest ride is, and then whatever they say, we go.
Wow, Ron, you're so smart.
Oh my gosh. All right, let's go ask somebody. Let's go.
Oh my God, hurry up.
Let's go.
Time's up. Let's find them.
Hey guys, what's the scariest ride? X2 is right there. Come on.
X2's right there. Thank you guys. Let's go. Thank you guys.
X2 is right here.
Hurry.
Let's imagine that there's a criminal. What would you do first?
I have a picture of it, right?
Yeah.
So I'm asking every concession stand, have you seen this person? Which direction have they been in? Something like that. Maybe we can get some notes.
Let's go.
Look how high this is. No, I'm not going on this.
Yes, you are.
So what's the embarrassing photo?
Oh, it's that. Oh, I promised Salish I would blur it unless I win, and then I'm posting it all over LA on a billboard.
Listen, if we get out of this ride, and let's say we're running, and we see Jordan, you have to punch Jordan.
You're a police officer. I'm not a fighter.
Okay.
You're gonna have to handle both security officers. Can you take them out?
Not a problem.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
A drag cross right.
As long as I have your permission.
Oh, you got my permission.
Officer Walker told me I gotta show a photo of Salish to people and see if they've seen her. I can use that Sincerely Yours photo. I think she likes that. She's posted it. Hey, has anybody seen this kid? Has anybody seen that person? Have you seen that person? By the way, it's not scary. It's my daughter. We're playing hide and seek. It's not a scary thing. If I win this challenge, the photo I'm gonna show on the billboard is, whoa, it's so bad. I can't wait to win.
1 out of 10. How scared are you? Are you
Probably.
6, 7?
You make me want to go home. No, I don't know.
6, 7.
Like, this is why I don't hang out with her.
Have you seen that person? Oh, you know her. Did you see her? No, okay. If Salish can't complete her 10 challenges before I catch her, just wait to see the photo. In case you guys think I'm mean posting a bad photo of my daughter all over LA, listen, she did it to me. Are you kidding me? This is revenge.
Oy.
All right, all set, ready to go?
Get me off. Get me off this ride. I'm not built for this. I'm built to be at home, playing video games.
Sorry to interrupt everybody. Has anybody seen my daughter, Salish? So sorry. Yeah, thank you anyway. Wow, so she didn't come in here, I guess. That was awkward.
Oh my gosh. Mom, I love you. Dad, I love you. My brother, I love you so much. My sister, I'm gonna miss you if I don't ever see you again. Oh my gosh. No!
Have either of you seen my daughter? We're playing hide and seek. I really want to win. I have the worst photo in history. I can put it on a billboard in LA if all I have to do is win.
Let's look for the biggest crowd. Wherever the crowd is at, I have a feeling that she'll be there.
That's smart.
But what I didn't see coming was that this massive crowd will make this whole challenge much more difficult, at least for me.
I need you to say as loud as you can, Salish Matter, come out wherever you are.
Salish Matter, wherever you are, come out now.
I think it could be a little louder. Can I try it?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm gonna find you, little girl! You can't hide forever! I'm gonna put a billboard up with an ugly photo of you. Let's go. Do you want to see Aura? Oh, that would have been Aura. It would have been Aura.
Oh my goodness. No, we're about to go down.
Rowan and Dell put together the challenges. I've known Rowan since he was born. I think I can think like him. And I have a feeling he would at least do one challenge that was a ride. So he would either do a silly ride to embarrass them or he would do a scary ride to scare them.
Oh my God,
Hey guys, what's the scariest ride here?
Probably Scream.
Scream?
X2.
Okay, wait. Everybody say X2 or Scream. Let's do both.
No.
Is this the exit? Yeah. Is this the exit? Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
We're going against traffic here. I'm going through the exit because I want to check with them to see if Salish has been on this ride. Or maybe she's waiting in line.
Oh, thank God it's over.
No, it's over.
That's it. This challenge is over. I'll catch them right now.
Get me out!
Excuse me, has this girl come through this ride yet?
I can't answer anything.
Okay, that sounds like a yes.
What the heck was that?
Okay, the worst thing that can happen right now is we see Jordan.
Farhan, that was my plan, but unfortunately I went to Scream instead of X2.
I want to see the picture. Oh my gosh.
No, okay.
We're out of here.
I'm gonna call Salish.
My dad is calling me.
Hello?
Hey, I miss you guys. Would you mind just sending me a photo of you guys so I can see you're happy?
No. See you later.
See
Bye.
ya.
He's trying to trick us. Okay,
Yeah.
we're not falling for that, Jordan.
Yeah, Dad, we're not little kids anymore.
Your voice is so bad. No, her voice is like so bad. We're gonna have to figure out a good game plan if we see Jordan.
Don't worry about Jordan, we'll handle him.
Did you just see a tall guy, spiky hair?
Yeah, like some old man, yeah.
Punch, jab, cross, uppercut.
Exactly.
You guys just give us the go, and we got you.
All right,
Fast,
perfect,
yeah.
thanks.
Sadly for me, they aren't joking because later those security guards will make me regret filming this video. But first, Salish is trying to fly through the challenges.
Eat food in every color of the rainbow. They have like convenience stores, right? Like here, like they have like little stores, like little snacks. We could definitely find every color of the rainbow there.
You kind of have an army behind you, actually.
No, but guys, listen to my logic.
Yes, we gotta go. No, we gotta go.
They're gonna help us. If my dad sees them, my dad is gonna like get caught in them, you know?
Can I give you a hug? Thank you. Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you good?
Yes.
That's awesome. Bailey, thank you, Bailey. Thank you so much. Okay, let's keep looking for Salish now.
Yo!
Oh my gosh, that's perfect.
Red, orange, yellow,
Green,
blue,
purple. Let's go.
Okay.
You guys know how much time you're saving by doing this and not going to like a restaurant?
Smart.
I am smart.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7.
Now we have to eat these, okay?
We need to hide and hurry up.
Oh my gosh, there's so many people.
Guys, if you see my dad, can you please like make sure he doesn't come?
No way she's getting that whole crowd to look for me. You won't believe how many times I almost got kicked out of the park because of the massive crowd following me.
Thank you guys so much. Let's go right here.
That's exit only, Salish.
And let's eat it right here.
All right, we gotta eat this.
Red. Ooh, we actually have to bite it. That's gross.
Orange. I think we're done. We'll move on to the next challenge.
I have a feeling some of you are going to ship Salish and Farhan after watching this video since it's already happening on TikTok. But they've been friends for years and that's all it is. So, guys, chill.
Instagram truth or dare.
Question's right there. Hurry up, you type so slow.
I'll do it dare, I guess.
Okay, yeah, I'm doing the truth.
Are you single or are you taken?
I'm single. I dare you to go buy ice cream and lick it.
That's easy.
Okay, well, let's go.
Come on, let's go. I know where an ice cream place is. It's over there. Come on, let's go.
Okay, come on. Okay, we're good.
All right, let's go, Farhan.
Oh my gosh, go.
There's some ice cream right here.
Oh, wait, that's perfect.
I am literally so close to them, but it's hard to find anyone in this sea of people.
They're gonna definitely hear me coming. Nobody who knows who Salish is allowed to tell me where she is because that would be unfair. Otherwise, I could just ask a bunch of people to go find her. That's not fair. It's either me or Officer Walker. We're the only two people who can find her, but I can ask concessions people and I can ask the park workers. I don't know how much more time I have. There's no time limit, but I don't know how many challenges they've completed.
We have an exit here and an exit here.
Okay,
so if we have
Jordan
any
comes?
conflict in the front, you can go left or right, okay?
Got it.
And we'll follow you either way, okay?
Perfect, thanks.
Guys, this might draw
a lot of attention.
And things are already getting complicated for us.
Shoot. One of our camera people just got kicked out of the park. Officers, can I just say, these guys have been chasing us all day. We have permission to be filming here. He's with me.
I want to go that way, maybe. Look at this.
I know. They don't want to leave, and now you're kicking my guy out.
I am so close to catching her, but her plan of sending a crowd to distract me worked better than anyone could imagine, because I was literally just outside the ice cream shop.
Hey guys, I spotted him right there. We need to get moving.
This is nobody's fault,
Come on, let me go talk to you.
but the huge crowd might get me arrested.
You understand we have to maintain the safety of everyone?
Go, we gotta go.
Thank you. All right, let's keep playing. I didn't get arrested. We're good. All right. Okay. We gotta come up with a plan.
Yeah, it's getting dark.
Salish has no idea I got in trouble, so she keeps sending more and more people in my direction. This is about to get out of control.
Guys, can you go block my dad? Don't let him come to me.
Oh, I see him.
Flash pass. Maybe they went to buy a flash pass. Wow, there's a big crowd of people. Okay.
He's exactly where we posted the Instagram story. Yeah, I promise. Okay, maybe we should go that way. Let's go.
Salish posted a story. Wait, Sandy, look. Exit only. Exit. They were right here. Did you happen to see this person with a friend?
I think I might have seen them around the vending machine.
Oh, thank you. So they were right next to the vending machine. They took a photo in front of that exit sign.
No way. I can't believe I missed them just because security wanted to talk to me.
All right, well, what's the next thing that we have to do?
We have to win the biggest prize in the park.
Wait, hold on. Excuse me. Where did you get this?
At the basketball one over there.
Basketball. All right, let's go. I suck at basketball. That's like the only sport I cannot play.
Great.
There's so many people following us. That's like the whole park. Oh, I see it. Look at the thing. You think I'm making that?
I'll make it.
No matter if you miss, you're still a winner, bro.
How do we win the biggest prize? Sneak it in there one time. Ron, do you want to go first?
No, you go first. Let's go. Oh my gosh.
All right, you go, Ron. You go.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, Ron. You got this. Come on. Take your time.
If I miss, it's gonna be so embarrassing now. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
All right, you take that. You go.
Oh my gosh, you made it!
We're trying to play a game of hide and seek. If you go over to them and you start screaming, I'm gonna know where they are. I'm trying my hardest to find them without any clues, okay? Don't tell me where they are. Do not tell me where they are, even if you know. Team Jordan! I have no idea how many challenges they found. I have no idea if I've ever been close. This is really hard. You know how tempted I am to check her find friends? Have you seen this kid recently? Have you seen her? No. I gotta find her. This is getting really hard and it's getting dark.
What's the next challenge?
Win 10 games of rock, paper, scissors with Salish.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, let's go. That's one. Shoot. Let's go. That's two. Scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No. Okay. Scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Shoot. 7, shoot. Scissors, shoot. All right, 10.
Okay, 10. We're good.
This is hard. I cannot sneak up on anyone like this. What would you do, officer?
We need crowd control. We need to get them away from us. Concession stands and big crowds are going to be the main thing.
We need to get to high ground to see if we can spot the big crowd with Salish. The only issue is...
I'm scared of heights, so could you do that?
I'm down.
Oh, let's go. How long will it take us to get from here to have him going up? 30 minutes? Okay, we don't have time to look for 30 minutes.
I have a slime with Gooey Gooey. I had to tell her everything about it while you are on the carousel.
Okay, well, let's go find the carousel. We gotta go.
I genuinely don't know how my dad hasn't caught us yet.
I know. We've literally had like an army of people following us.
Jordan's gonna find us. Like, there's no way.
All right, I found the carousel. All right, guys, he has to ride the carousel while I tell you about Gooey Gooey.
Salish has to complete 10 challenges. If I catch her before she completes them, I get to put a horrible photo of her on a billboard in LA. And believe me, I wouldn't do it except it's revenge. She did that to me. Are you kidding me? I don't know how many challenges Salish has completed. I'm in a hurry, but they'll hear us coming no matter where we come from. Things have changed since the 10-minute photo challenge, I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
As soon as I get on the ride, you have to do your little slime thing like really fast because this is like really bad.
Oh, you're scared. It's okay.
I'm embarrassed.
No, it's okay. No, you're scared. It's just a carousel. You're fine, Ron. You got it.
I'm not scared of the carousel.
I know you are.
It's embarrassing.
It's not. It's okay.
I was scared of the carousel.
I'm not scared of the carousel. It's embarrassing. Look, turn around. Look at everybody looking at me. Like, there's just no way.
Hey, Huds, say hi. They all wanted to say hi, that's why I called. I've got an idea, Huds, will you do me a favor? Will you FaceTime Salish to take a screenshot of where she is?
I'm on the highway.
Okay, all right. Bye, I love you. Say bye to Hudson. Maybe my wife will do it. Honey, I need you to do me a favor. FaceTime Salish right now. Take a screenshot where she is and send it to me. I need to know where she is in the park. I'm about to lose. All right, love you, bye.
Gooey Gooey is a slime brand. I made a slime with Gooey Gooey, and I'm just gonna show you guys what's in it. Say how awesome it is.
This is gonna be so embarrassing. I need Salish to hurry up.
This is hard. There's a lot of people, which is awesome, but they're making a lot of noise. Let's just pretend that Salish and Fran are fugitives. They stole your gold chain, and you have to find them, and you have like minutes. What would you do right now?
I want to go with a loudspeaker and throw up what we call a roost, right? You guys want a prize? Find Salish. A Find Salish prize.
Okay. Is it possible to get on the loudspeaker from here? No, okay, thank you. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do that, but I'm gonna try.
Lauren called Salish, but only for a second. Luckily, Lauren got this screenshot. I think I know exactly where Salish is.
I'm gonna whisper this because I don't want them to hear it, but I think that she's at the merry-go-round. Gotta get there before all these people do, because I don't want them to scream and then alert her. I think she's at the carousel.
These are the 4 slimes I have with Gooey Gooey, so let me show you what comes inside of the box. There's 4 different slimes, and it tells you right here which one you got. There's a cloud, a gloss, a clear, and a butter.
Let's go. We're good, right? We're good? Nice.
Let's make the clear one. We're gonna open step 1, which is the base. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Guys, these all have just like really clean and like nice, refreshing scents. So fun to play with. Put it nicely on top of this. Look how nice that looks.
Now it's just pitch black. I missed my opportunity when it was light.
Step number 2, nice decoration. So I'm just gonna put these on top of here.
All right, now we're going, now we're going, now we're going. This is so embarrassing.
Go Fran!
Salish, hurry up!
Okay. Step number 3 is some more decoration. Look how pretty that is.
All right, guys. We gotta come up with a strategy because once we get off, Jordan could be waiting for us.
Step number 4 is reveal. This is the reveal. This is so cute. I actually love it.
Say that's super nice, but like, you know, if you just finish, like, we can go and be done with it.
I want to show them the slime. I love it. Okay.
No, take your time. It's cool. It's not like your dad's trying to follow us.
If Salish is still there, I gotta sneak up on him, and I gotta avoid those 2 bodyguards, and I gotta tag her. But first, I gotta see if she's still there.
Okay, I think we're done. Please tell me we're done. Please tell me we're done. All right, let's go. We gotta get off.
Step number 5 is a spiral touch. So, got a little glitter. Look how perfect that looks.
There, right there. Did you see her?
I didn't see her in my way.
She just passed by.
My daughter just passed by here? That girl?
Yeah.
Yo, you saw her? Do you know which direction they went?
Towards the hill.
Thank you.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Guys, I think it's the horror night now.
No.
At 7 o'clock, the park switches over to Fright Fest, and the whole park turns into a giant haunted house.
Do you mind if I make one announcement to my daughter on that microphone? It's 1 sentence. Please let me do this. I never win. Please let me do this. Please. One announcement. Please.
Tell him what to say and he can announce it.
Security, pull up the map and take us to Goliath. No idea where that is, but we have to get to it. Oh my gosh.
We're gonna go right and then left.
All right, let's go. Goliath is actually pretty scary. It has like the biggest drop. I'm scared.
It's like the biggest drop in LA.
Oh my gosh, the scary people are gonna start coming out.
Are you gonna be scared?
I swear I will run away.
Ron's gonna be like,
Stop it!
Say, the first person.
The first person to find Salish Matter will get a fast pass.
Let's go! You find Salish Matter, you get a fast pass to Horror Nights. Go get her!
All right, we're going on Goliath. I'm honestly pretty scared.
You've been on it before, right?
Like once, but when I was little. It's like a wooden ride, so I'm scared it's gonna like fail. What happens if we get caught before doing all of 10 challenges?
Then a really embarrassing photo goes up on me on like a wall thing, and I don't want that.
I have decided I'm gonna break my own rule and I'm gonna let people help me because I'm getting desperate. I have a feeling Salish's gonna win any minute, so I'm gonna give away a fast pass to somebody who helps me find Salish. I know, I said I wouldn't do it. Nobody who knows who Salish is allowed to tell me where she is because that would be unfair. I really wanna win, I always lose, and I gotta put that billboard in LA.
No, I took a photo with Salish over there, and then after she ran to Goliath.
Okay, thank you. Salish did a selfie here and she was on her way to Goliath, so I think I can get there and catch her right there.
Last 2 is the scariest.
I'm actually scared.
Say, does this one go upside down?
Oh, no, because I'm gonna fall out. Oh.
Oh my God. Like everything was just like pushing down.
Yeah, same.
On the first drop, I didn't even scream. And then it started doing like a loop.
We were spinning forever.
Like it felt like...
Like everything was pushing down.
It felt like a dream. Like it just did not feel real.
I felt like my eyes were like, I just closed them.
Where's the exit to Goliath? Salish is on Goliath. Like 10 people have told me that. I'm gonna wait here at the exit and get her when she leaves. Oh, I see my...
Is this the exit?
I see my assistant.
Oh,
okay, well that's challenge what? That's challenge number 7?
That's 7. Like the 3 other ones Tickets are in the scary
Fright
part of
Fest.
the
We have
park.
to go to Fright Fest.
Yeah.
I'm not going.
Yeah, you're fine. You're fine.
No, it's not my favorite. That's the worst part. But there's no way Jordan still hasn't found us.
I know, that's like
I'm like
low-key
really
crazy.
surprised.
What if he's at the exit?
Oh wait, that's a good point.
Let's look at our picture.
Look at
him.
They only have 3 challenges left, but these are the toughest ones.
Make sure Jordan's not here. Wait.
Take your dad right there. Your dad's right there.
Anybody see Salish?
He's right there. He's right. We gotta go.
I am so close to catching Salish right now, but she sent one of her security guards to intercept me.
How are you, sir?
Oh no.
Go.
I'm gonna introduce you to my friend Officer Walker. Let's go.
Let's just stay here. I got him.
Go.
She's here somewhere.
Oh, run!
Go.
Salish has 2 security guards, so there's 1 more. Where's the other one?
Where's the security?
This way.
My dad's at Goliath.
I don't know where to go.
Where is she? I can't see anything.
Take a right.
No, that's where my dad is. Sandy.
No.
Sandy was filming me, but he had to stop because his knee was hurting. That's when he happened to spot Salish and Farhan.
Go inside.
If I had only stayed with Sandy, I would have caught them.
Where's Salish?
I saw her.
Oh, you saw her?
Oh, yeah, I stopped here, and then I saw them. They went into that store. I think they must have exited the other side.
So they went that way? You can comment I'm cheating. I don't care. Everybody go find Salish for me. Go!
Oh, shoot. Okay, ready? Oh, my God.
No, Salish, don't get scared. Listen, if you don't get scared, they won't do anything.
Oh, security, stop. Where are they? Where is she?
If Salish's security is here, I know she's close.
Everybody find Salish. Salish, I'm coming for you, little girl.
I saw your dad, guys. I scared him in the other direction, so we're good for now.
Perfect, thank you. The final 3 challenges are photobomb someone's picture, film a TikTok with an amusement park character, and go through the scariest haunted maze.
Give me the TikTok. Yeah, come over here. Come here. I'm gonna show you I'm not scared of you.
Why did you do that, Ron?
Can we make a TikTok together really quick? Like put your hands on your knees and start dancing like this. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey. All right, we're good. Thank you. Appreciate
Here we
it.
go. All right, now we gotta photobomb a picture. How do we do that?
Everybody be quiet. If Salish is here, she's gonna hear us coming.
That scared me.
What the heck?
Photobomb. Let's go. Oh, we did it. Photobomb. Let's go. That's good.
I don't know where they are with their challenges, but I know it's getting scarier and scarier.
Here's a maze.
I'm not going. I'm not going to that. Do we both have to go through the haunted maze?
My dad's calling you. Hi, Dad.
Hey, Salish, how many challenges do you have left?
2 left. Two.
You have 2 left. Where are you?
Jordan, do both of us have to go through the maze or just one of us?
Why are you asking me that question? I have no idea.
Okay, only one of us is going through the maze.
No, I'm not going fun if you don't go.
I'm not going.
Farhan just made a huge mistake because now I know they're going to one of the haunted mazes. Or are they just messing with me?
They just asked me if they had to go through the maze together. Is that a joke?
Is it a setup or
Okay,
is
I
it
don't
already
care.
serious?
That's all I've got.
Let's do it.
I have no idea what their challenges are, so this could be a trick. But at this point, I need any help I can get. All right, everybody, listen up. These are 2 fast passes. Whoever helps me find Salish gets one of them. Go!
Literally anything in the whole entire park, I'd rather do than this. Will you at least tell me what the picture is?
No.
I just want to know what the picture is.
I can't tell anybody.
Farhan just said that they were going to the maze. They said it as if they were going to have to do it together. I don't know if I caught them in a conversation they didn't want me to hear or if they're just messing with me, but we're here now, so we'll see if we find them.
Wait, Jordan's here.
Security.
I see him. He's right there. He's literally right there.
We got you. I got you.
Oh, no.
I got you.
Okay, Salish is here.
She's here. That means we're getting close.
Turn off the light.
We're getting close to her. Break away. Go. Move.
Right. Hold on. Stay down.
Where?
They just said we were over here.
I'm pretty sure they're going to the maze. I'm right at the line to get into the maze, so I must be close to them.
Let's go.
Go.
Go that way.
I got you. They gotta be somewhere close.
He's right down there. He's right down there.
we waited in line. We waited in line. Guys, we have to wait in the line.
I am sure I'm about to win this whole thing. As long as they don't send their security. Oh, shoot! Ah! Okay. Oh my God. Okay.
Get up! Get up! He's back! He's back! Go, Jordan! Go!
Guys, we have to wait in the line. We have to wait.
Woody, do it that way.
I think that kid sent me in the wrong direction.
Where is the exit of the maze? The exit of the maze. They'll be coming out of the maze.
Sounds good.
We're gonna hide.
Guys, my dad is right there.
Hey, do you know where the exit of the...
I do. It's right here.
You again.
Hello. How are you, my friend?
No.
Oh, he's back again!
Oh my God, security is grabbing him.
Oh, okay.
Let's go!
I think he's done. There's one more guy.
One more guy.
Where is the exit? Where's the exit to the maze?
They'll come around this way on the outside.
So they can't go anywhere other than here, right?
Yeah, they have to come back this way.
Okay, if she's in the maze, I'm gonna get her right now.
We gotta get.
Oh my God. We gotta wait to the line.
It's taking way too long.
If this happens to be their last challenge, I have to actually tag them before they can finish the maze.
My dad's gonna catch us.
Did you guys happen to see this girl in the maze? Did you happen to see her in the maze, this girl?
They went in VIP.
They went in the VIP. All right, they said she's going in.
Apparently we don't have the correct wristband, so I guess we can't go inside.
That was literally the last challenge.
And they kicked us out. I don't know what to do.
Well, you have to go to another maze. I think.
Well, I guess, yeah.
Gotta find another maze.
You saw her over at Song. You saw her over there? All right, somebody just told me that they saw Salish leave the VIP lane for whatever reason. So they're saying she didn't go in, so we gotta go back this way now.
That is crazy. If they had the right wristbands, they would have just won. But now they have to go to a different maze, and I might still have a chance.
We tried to get in the maze. We didn't have the wristbands, so now we have to wait to get the wristbands before the final challenge.
My shoes are making my feet hurt so bad.
I don't think I can run anymore. Like, if he's chasing us, I'm lying down and getting caught.
There's 2 mazes here at Magic Mountain, so I'm gonna go to the second one now. Maybe I was at the wrong maze.
Right here. Here's the steer.
No. I can't. No, Salish, this is the only thing I'm not doing.
Faran is super scared.
Salish, hold me.
So he needs Salish and the bodyguard to protect him. If he quits and they don't go through the maze together, I win. If they get through the haunted maze before I tag them, Salish wins again.
Have you seen her? Is she here?
I think she made it through the line.
Can I please go get her?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Let's go. Security guard, just let me go through. I'm gonna go through the entrance. Let's go. If they're in here, I gotta catch them before they get out. This might be their final challenge.
No, I'm actually scared. I'm scared.
Oh my God!
I got her! Yeah!
No way!
Yes!
Stop. We're getting out of here right now.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I'll get you out of here.
Oh my gosh, he was there the whole time. So you're telling me I went through that whole entire maze just to lose?
Yeah. How many challenges did you get done?
We did 10.
We did all 10.
Technically, we did 10.
We were in the last one.
Meaning if you had gotten through, you would have won?
Yeah, we would have won.
I got
We were
you
so
that close?
We were so close.
I won! That means that I now get to make a billboard of that very, very embarrassing photo.
I've been wondering what that photo has been.
Okay, I'm
the whole
going to show
video.
you.
Okay, show
I'm
me.
going to show the world. You know the photo. I'm going to make the photo of a billboard of that. Are you good with that?
No.
You don't want me to do it, do you?
Not really.
The truth is, the photo isn't that bad. It's just an embarrassing expression, but I can see in Salish's eyes she really doesn't want anyone to see it. So...
Okay, I'm not going to do it.
Wait, really?
I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to...
Wait, actually?
I'm not going to embarrass her publicly. It's okay. Just go have fun. Just leave. Go have fun.
All right, thanks.
Go
Come
have
on,
fun.
let's go.
What? I want to show you guys so badly, but I'm not... Oh, boy, I want to show you. I kind of regret it, but it's her privacy.
Wait. Just show me the picture.
I'll show you.
Please,
Just
show me.
Okay.
Show me.
No! I know!
Dad, what the heck?
I'm sorry.
All right, you go.
Bye. But at least I didn't do the billboard.
Everybody, I finally won a challenge!
Today, my daughter Salish says goodbye to her best friend. Soon, Nadal will fly 10,000 miles to his new home. So they want to spend their last day together at one of their very favorite places, Universal Studios, playing an epic game of hide and seek.
My dad is right there. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go.
And at the end of the day, Salish has a very special surprise for Nadal.
No way! We are going to play an epic game of hide and seek. If I can't find them by the end of the day, they get my credit card to spend on whatever they want tonight. 1, 2, 3, go!
Okay, come on, let's go. You know, can you run? Oh my God.
Go, come on. They get a 10-minute head start, but given Nadal's leg, I don't know how far they're gonna get.
Thank you. Thanks. We have to hurry up, Nita.
I have a tracking device on my phone to help me find them, but I'm not the best at using trackers, so I don't know how much help it's gonna be.
Salish and Nadal have been best friends for over 3 years. One of their favorite things to do is to surprise each other. And then they always have to say goodbye. This time, Nadal is moving very far away, and they have no idea when they'll see each other again.
I'm gonna go get a scooter because I don't feel like running because my leg still hurts. Oh God.
I don't know how to use it.
Come on, come on. Time is moving slow. I'm ready to go.
Woo! Oh yeah!
I'm about to gap you. Oh.
Hey!
Bye-bye.
Nito, this is way too slow.
Salish, hurry up.
Universal is huge. How can I possibly find 2 people?
Yo.
What's up? Strangest drag race I've ever seen, but $5 on you. Come on.
How are you winning?
No, what you can't.
How do you make it go faster?
I want them to have the best day of their lives today, but I absolutely do not want them to have my credit card.
Nito, wait for me.
Hey, say what up.
Hold up, where'd Nito go? Oh, he's behind me. Okay, these are way too slow, so we have a different plan.
We only found out recently that Nadal's moving overseas, and for their last day together, they really wanted to do something super fun. So I got them all access passes to Universal.
Our favorite ride is Mummy, so do you want to go on that?
Yeah, where is it?
We'll find it. This is our favorite ride, and we only have a little bit of time.
5 seconds, I can look at the tracker. Okay, here we go. Whoa, they're far away already. How did that happen? Ready or not? Here I come.
It's a person in there. It's a suit.
No, it's a robot.
No, it's a suit.
That's a robot. It's so cute.
Oh, that's the money ride right there.
You know Salish and Nadal well enough by now to realize they're not going to be very emotional about this today, but if you watch them closely, I'll bet you'll see some signs that they're really going to miss each other.
If you can ride the mummy ride without screaming one time, I get pied in the face, but if I scream, I get pied in the face.
What?
Wait, no.
If I scream, I get pied.
Yeah.
I'm not going to scream.
All right, I got to close this gap. They're all the way up here, and I'm way back here. I got Rowan with me today because I know I'm going to run a lot, and he's a young guy, but he can't keep up with this guy. Bye-bye.
Wait, Jordan.
No,
Wait.
got to hurry up.
Wait up.
Okay, I'm a little tired. I was showing off there.
All right, first person to scream.
I'm not going to scream. Wait, does whoa count as screaming?
Stay silent.
Oh my God, I am so far. Excuse me.
There's no running allowed in the car.
You can't run?
No, unfortunately not.
I'm playing a hide and seek. Okay, thank you. How can I do this without running? Is this walking or running? It's silly, I know that much.
Okay, so we're on this ride now, and we have to be silent, okay? Oh, no. That's not fair.
You screamed.
Yeah, but you grabbed me.
No, you
slapped
screamed.
me. No, you slapped me. Can we scream now? Whoa.
That was
Okay,
too
can we go
fun.
again?
Did you guys scream?
He went like that, so I screamed. But then he started screaming on the ride.
It's freezing up. Look, I can't. How am I supposed to? It's frozen. Looks like I'm going the same direction, but I'm getting further and further away. At this pace, I'm never going to find them already.
All right, this is how you proved if you really screamed on the ride.
I was just smiling.
Scared to see myself. Oh, that's us. Oh, that's us.
Nito, look how good that corn looks.
It froze up again. It froze up again. They will spend $100 million with my credit card. We know that.
Here's a moment of truth. Who screamed?
Neither of us.
Neither of us.
You look so stupid. I need to take a picture of this. Okay, Nito, I might just have to post that on Instagram.
Okay, then I might have to post it on Snapchat.
Oh, no.
This is a stall tactic. Salish made this plan, I'm sure of it. Hi. You guys don't want to do a photo?
Yeah.
Can I have a phone and I'll do a selfie? Did Salish put you up to this?
No.
Okay, well, I'm trying to find her and she's nowhere.
Wait, Salish is here?
Yeah, Salish is here.
Oh my God. Thank you. We can't let him catch us because I know exactly what we're gonna buy with his card and you're gonna love it. It's a little bit
cold, so we're gonna get some merch, but we gotta go fast, Needle. Come on, let's go. We're gonna get a sweatshirt, so maybe my dad won't recognize me.
Whoa, I'm actually close. They're right.
Nope.
I was just stretching out. Okay, I gotta find a way to go all the way around.
Nope.
This is like the silliest thing.
This is small.
$55.
Try it on.
Yeah, no, that's tiny.
That is way too small.
Does it look that bad?
I'm so confused. I don't know how to get around here. They're gone. Now I guess I gotta go maybe here?
Should we just get this one?
Yeah.
Okay, we're just gonna get this because we don't have any time.
Oh, Salish and Doll did a really sweet video here about a year ago. It was a date video. They were walking here, holding hands. It was so sweet. I'm getting nostalgic because this is just like all where we hung out a year ago. I'm actually personally bummed out he's moving, to be honest.
Bark, bark.
You look so bad. Okay, no. You look good.
What?
You look good. I think you should get that one. My dad will never know it's you.
It'll hide our identity.
Yeah.
To get with.
I am not getting one.
Yeah, you have to. Come on.
I'm not getting. Here. Look, ready? I'll tuck my hair in.
What?
And then I'll put this one on.
Come on. We have to be matching. That doesn't look bad.
I can't even see.
Look,
Fine.
come see that.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
We should probably get out of here soon because he could be tracking us right now.
Okay, let's just get these.
Okay. All right.
He's gonna know it's us though.
No, I don't think he will.
Looks like they're in Nintendo land. So let's go there.
Let's go. Cut your picture.
Sure. How you doing?
My dad is right there. We cannot go that way. Come on.
Where?
Let's go this way. Ready?
We're playing a game of hide and seek.
Let's go.
Dude, it says they're close, but every time I reset, it goes to, I know
what this is. It's from Mario.
Mario.
I forget what its name is.
Mario.
Excuse me? Do you know what the name of this is? I forget.
Browser.
Thank you. It's browser.
Oh, I see. I figured it out. It tells me which way to walk. Wait, does it? How am I supposed to get through here? Do you guys remember this spot in the last Universal video? It was only a year ago that Salish and Nadal were on their first date and they were dancing here. That was so much fun.
Woo! That was too easy.
I gotta think that them being here, that's gotta make them a little bit emotional and nostalgic about everything they've been through together, and I'm really hoping they get to see each other again soon.
Here, put this on for the ride.
We have to run a little bit faster because my dad's probably right near us.
Oh, shoot.
I'm feeling very sentimental being here. This is where they had their lunch. They've been through so much together in the last 3 years. There is absolutely no way this is the last time they're seeing each other. It's just the last time they're seeing each other for a little while.
Salish, are you tall enough for this? You don't meet the height requirement. It's about, too tall.
That's so uncomfortable.
No, wait.
I like this one.
And then I like this one.
So you guys are definitely gonna get wet on the ride, so here's some ponchos.
What?
Okay, thank you. Oh gosh. You know, I don't think you can have that on. In the front, we're gonna get soaking wet.
Let's go in the middle. Right here.
Let's go, yeah. Apparently you don't get too wet in the middle.
Hey, Salish, don't scream.
Okay. Whoa. This is so cool. Oh my god.
Oh god, that was fun. You wanna go again?
Yeah, that was so scary.
That was an insane draw.
Yeah. We gotta get out of here because my dad is probably on his way now. We gotta go. Okay. Let's go to the left.
No, let's go to the right.
No, let's go to the left. Come on.
Look, that looks
left. Let's go left.
Right, I'm going right.
Oh, okay. I guess right.
I'm gonna go up the regular stairs.
No, your leg will be hurting after.
Oh, I don't care.
I can't really control him. Go slow.
I can run upstairs.
My legs.
Oh, I should have chosen the escalator.
Yeah. Why would people choose this way?
Oh my god, my legs.
Oh.
156 steps.
Never again.
Now we have to go up these ones too.
Yeah, no. My dad's for sure up there. So I heard someone say, Jordan Matter.
Oh, he's on to us. Remember that? A rematch from a year ago almost.
No, I lost last time. This is gonna be your face. What? It's okay, last time I only got 25. Today I got 75.
This has actually been...
Yeah, this is so fun.
Such a fun day.
Yeah.
What ride do you want to do next?
I don't know. What rides are there? There's no way my dad is gonna find us.
I know, we went around the whole park and I haven't seen him.
How would he find us?
I don't know. So what are we doing before we win?
It's a surprise. You can't know.
What do you mean? I want to know.
You're gonna love it so much.
Bro, just give me a hint.
It's expensive and really fun.
Eating?
Reading?
Good food.
No, I'm not gonna say anything else.
A car?
No, we have to win because Nidal would really like what we have planned.
Okay, so I'm actually really gonna miss you.
Since Nidal can't run, to make it fair, we're gonna give my dad challenges to make it harder to find us, starting right now.
Salish and Nidal are allowed to give me up to 5 handicaps to stop me from looking at any point. Whose idea was that? Rowan?
No, oh.
We're going really slow now, so in order to stall my dad, I'm gonna give him a challenge.
Wait, turn the camera off, turn the camera off. You cannot let him see where you are.
Hey,
Hey,
where are you, little girl?
I have a handicap for you.
What do I have to do? Hurry, come on. She's inside.
You have to handcuff yourself to a stranger for 10 minutes.
Did you just say I have to handcuff myself to a stranger for 10 minutes?
Yep.
I don't have handcuffs, by the way.
Uh-huh, okay, bye.
Nice.
Okay, perfect.
Excuse me, sir. Would it be weird if I handcuff myself to you for 10 minutes?
It would be weird.
This is actually so awkward. I'm scared of those guys right there. That usually doesn't work well for me. Any chance you want to handcuff yourself to me? How do I ask this exactly? This is gonna be weird. Can I handcuff myself to you for 10 minutes?
Sure.
What?
Yeah, why not?
All right, what's your name?
Tal.
It feels like we should be holding hands, right?
Sure, why not?
Because they were there anyway. It's weird if we don't. Salish, I'm gonna get you back for this one. Oh my God, that's them. They're right there. Can you run with me? I'm sorry, I gotta catch these kids. Oh, I see why they did this. So now I can't outrun them. Which way did they go? Oh, wait.
I think they went that way.
No, I think they may have gone this way. Whoa, ow, ow. No, they went this. They went this way. Oh, okay. See, there's nowhere to go. I told you. They went this way and we missed it. Come on. Ow. Come on, hurry. Oh, wait, we can't run. We're not allowed to run. Fast walk. Hi, hurry. No, you can't be done. I got it. You cannot be done. Let's go. I'm running out of time. Yes. Okay. Got it. Thank you. Bye.
Hey, who's gonna take these off?
Handcuff thing was smart today, but I'm back on the track. She's right that way, but there's trees there, so I gotta go around. Let's go. If somebody clips this video and posts it and gets a ton of likes, I'll shout you out next week, but do not clip me walking in this silly way, please. I'm actually getting closer. Look, this is over. They had a very nice memory over here. Nidal was showing off.
How great I am.
I've got them. They're right in there.
Welcome, everyone.
Thank you. If you know who my daughter is, has anybody here seen her? No? If you see her, tell her I'm gonna find her. She's not getting my credit card. And then come find me and tell me where she is. Thank you. Team Jordan. Team Jordan. Ah! She's not here. That means she's already on the ride. I'll meet her at the exit. Boom. It's over. My tracker is saying they are right on this ride, but they're not in line. That means they're right here. All I have to do is wait. They still get to have an awesome day in the park, but they're not gonna get my credit card. This is it. This is gonna be so awesome. This is the exit right here. There's no way they get past me.
That was so trippy.
That was fun.
Like an 8 out of 10.
Mummy? 9.
Jurassic Park.
9.
Jurassic and Mummy were like the most fun.
How many exits are there?
Hey, yo.
Yeah. Level 10, yeah.
She's not here anymore. How did that happen? Is there like another exit or something? What? I don't understand. They were right here. Is this an exit? Did you just get off that ride? Are you kidding? There was 2 exits? Ah!
I want to live at Hogwarts. Can they send me a letter?
Oh man, they are further away.
I'm kind of hungry. What about you?
I mean, I'm pretty hungry.
We need to get food, but I think we need to disguise ourselves a little bit better.
Have you seen my daughter? Have you seen Salish? No? Okay. A lot of subscribers here today.
Salish, you know you're gonna miss me. Come on.
Yeah, I am.
I'm not though.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm losing them.
Salish said this prize is gonna be really good, but this is already fun enough. I don't know what could be better. I'm about to scare Salish.
Spiders very much.
It's frozen no matter where I go. It's the same amount of waste. I'm just assuming they went down here because last time we were at Universal, they loved it down here. I'm just guessing now.
Hudson had a Harry Potter obsession. Your gun right over here. This is gonna be fun.
Oh, it looks like they're near Hogwarts. I just missed them and they're so far away. I think I'm going this way. I don't know.
That was so fun. Yeah, this is the most fun one. What would you rate that ride out of 10?
6, 7.
I would rate it like an 8, like a 7 or an 8. Yeah, I liked that one.
This is like the wizarding world of Harry Potter, and I guess they're in here.
If I was my dad, I would really want to couch us because the surprise is really expensive.
What is it?
I can't tell you.
They are in here somewhere. Maybe they're in here. It says that they're right here. Where are they?
Let's just go in here.
Ones?
Clothes? Is this one cool? I want the unicorn hair one.
It's $500.
Where? Oh, that's cool.
Dad poop. What? Dad.
It's my name for him.
It looks like he was right outside.
He was.
She's FaceTiming me again.
Hello?
Say, what's going on? Why are you blurry? I can't see you, so I don't know where you are. Okay, what do I have to do now?
You're gonna have to take 5 pictures with 5 different characters.
No, like theme park characters?
Yep.
Before I can keep looking for you?
Can you turn your camera around really quick? He's right here. He's on the stairs. Okay, thank you, love you, bye.
Oh, and she just hung up. Oh, that gets me crazy. Do you guys know where theme park characters are?
I don't think we need cloaks. These are good enough. So
yeah, these are really good. We don't need cloaks.
I'm not allowed to look for them until I get a selfie with 5 different characters. I assume they'd be around here somewhere. Where are the characters? The Simpsons are over there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Excuse me, may I have a photo with you? That's awesome. Thank you so much.
First, we wanted to play so that we could just ride rides together and have fun. But now I really want to win because I have an awesome surprise for Needle.
Excuse me, may I have a selfie?
Sure, all the cool kids are doing it.
Thank you so much. Excuse me, can I get a selfie? That's kind of cool. I absolutely love your character more than any character.
I love your character more than any character. What's your name, bro?
My name's Jordan. Would you be able to say Team Jordan?
Team Jordan!
Have you seen 2 kids running around?
2 kids? I've seen thousands of kids around here, Jordan. I don't know if I can help you.
But I love you, actually love you.
Shouldn't we?
Can you tap your mic?
Shouldn't we be hiding?
They for sure can see us.
Oh no, you can hear me.
I keep getting right there. Every time I refresh, it moves. It says I'm like literally right on top of them.
Colin, you have to move. He's gonna see you.
Wait, what?
Wait, he's right here.
Yeah, I know. Hide. No, Colin, he's gonna see you.
I don't.
Just let me eat in peace. Kelly, bro, he's gonna see you guys.
I'm so confused. It literally says they're right here. Maybe it's off a little. All right, I'm gonna do another loop, I guess.
You ran away.
How did we get here from there? What? Weren't we just there? Oh my gosh, she's right there. She's right there. Come here. Hide right here. He's right around the corner.
I think I'm getting it. I'm getting closer. Okay, all right, I'm so confused. I was just here like 5 minutes ago.
That was him. Oh my god. So, Colin, you're making it obvious.
They're actually like right. I'm right here. They're here. They're here.
Needle. Put your hood on.
Walk past him, like look down.
Okay, I think it's this way.
Bro.
Oh, wait, I'm gonna go do a photo. Thank you. May I do a photo with you? No? Was that a no? Wait,
no.
I think she was my last one and she said no. I just had one more and she literally said no and walked away. I want Salish and Nadal to have the best time of their lives. I just don't want them to have my credit card.
What do you think they'd buy?
Together? With a credit card? Unlimited? I can't even think about it. Okay, that's Dracula. Yes! Yes! Excuse me, may I have one too?
What word do we say?
Please?
There it is.
Thank you so much.
Just because we've aged throughout the centuries does not mean we have to lose our manners.
Did you just call me old?
Are you trying to say there's something wrong with being old? If you're over 500 years old, is that a problem?
It's not a problem. I want to be 500 one day. Can I take a photo real quick?
There we
go. Okay, I think that counts, right? He's screaming me up. Bye. 5. Finally. Any of you sees it, just scream, Salish is here! And I'll hear you. Yeah, Salish. Thank you guys. Bye. Whoa!
Oh, Jordan's coming this way.
No, he's right there. He's right over there, so I'm gonna give him this challenge so he can't find us. Hey, Dad.
Hey.
I have a next challenge.
I think I'm right next to you. I can't find you. Where are you?
Oh, that's excellent. You have to wear fatal vision glasses.
How long do I have to wear those?
Like 20 minutes.
What?
Okay, love you. Bye. Mwah.
What is she talking about? What is this?
You'll see.
Whoa, these are like goggles that make you look weird. I gotta find my daughter, but I can't really see her that well. I can't.
Why don't you use the tracker?
I can't see it, Rowan. What do you think?
Oh, yeah, you're right.
I feel like, are there a lot of people around me?
Just a little bit.
Dad! Dad! Jordan! Dad! Hi!
Oh, was that Salish? No, was that Nadal?
The fastest I've ran.
Me too.
They went this way.
He ran the wrong way. We tried to reach you.
Where are they? Tell me. Where are they?
What is your current ranking?
Mummy's a 9 and Jurassic Park is a 9. Hi!
I love your nose.
Do you see them? Are they here? Whoa, God, that's nobody's filming me looking ridiculous, right? Is anybody here Salish?
Is this one fun?
What's been your favorite part of the day?
Messing with my dad. Her dad.
Yeah, that was fun. Oh, cute.
I can't see it straight and I feel dizzy and wobbly.
Time!
Oh my God. Whoa! Oh, you were all filming that?
Yeah.
But you're not gonna post it, right?
No.
Yeah, I'm sure you're not. Come on! What do you want? Bye, guys. No nailish. Bye. Whoa! Wait, that's Colin right there. Hold on. You're here with Salish. Why are you here? Why are you filming me? Is she right here?
She ran. I don't know where.
He's with Salish, so that means she's close. It looks like she's close right there. I'm back here again.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh God. Oh no.
I forgot how to do it.
What is that?
You try it.
It's here somewhere. I think they're in here.
Oh, he's right there.
Where? Where?
Hey, look.
Oh shoot. Hi, Minion.
What is this? Where are we? Tracker is now broken. I don't know. I think they're in Funland.
He was on his phone. Did he see us or was he?
I don't think so.
No, it says I'm right on top of them.
He's right in the doorway.
Yeah, no, Needle, get out.
I think they might be hiding in here. He says they're right here.
Look at me. You look bold.
Hey!
Hey, I'm going to the water park. Let's go to the water park, but not get wet. See that big head?
Yeah.
I think you can go inside it.
No, we can't go in there.
Yeah, no,
Needle, he's right there. He's right there. Oh. He is right there walking towards us.
I didn't know I'd get wet.
Needle, hurry.
I'm soaked.
Needle, he's right there.
Go. I can't run.
Are you soaking wet?
Yeah, and it smells.
Yeah, it does smell really bad.
It's impossible to find somebody in Universal. Place is too big, even if you've got a tracker, apparently. I just keep living in dread, worried about the next handicap they give me. I'm in Nintendo World, and I think they might be there. Does this work? This is like a telescope. What if I saw them here? That would be crazy.
Frankenstein!
Yo, what's good, Frankenstein?
Frankenstein! No, I'm not doing it.
Go.
Can you do it too?
Yo, can we get a flick?
Frankenstein!
Franken.
If I don't find them in the next 30 minutes, this credit card is theirs. I'm starting to run out of time.
Okay, I have one more place for us to go, and my dad will never find us there.
Where?
You'll see. Come on.
What?
I came down. They're up, I think.
Here's the I-5 place. Come on, Needle.
What?
We're going to I-5. Come on. Hi. Come on, Needle. Let's go.
3-minute video we gotta watch?
Are you sure we have to watch it? We're in like a big rush.
You gotta watch it.
What? Okay, this is going to be the longest video of my life.
This video provides pre-flight information.
Bro, this is the longest video I've ever seen.
Like, seriously running out of time. I might lose this thing. They might actually get my credit card, and I'm terrified what they would spend it on.
Oh, finally.
Bro.
Okay, we gotta go.
It looks like they're going to a city walk.
I wanna make sure you get special.
Salish, come on, hurry up.
Okay, Needle, we have to hurry up. All right, I'm ready.
I can't see me.
Zoom out.
I'm trying to zoom out. Whoa, I'm far away. Ah!
Jordan.
What?
Wrong way.
Are you sure? I've got so little time. They're gonna get my credit card. They're gonna spend every cent I've ever earned in my life. What are they gonna do? I'm actually kind of legit scared. I will say this, I hope they had a great time today. Hey, Dad, can you show you?
No. Dad, we have one more handicap for you.
Wait, say I can't. What are, Are you at iFly? They're at iFly.
No.
They're at iFly.
No, we have one more challenge for you, Dad.
I have to do a challenge? No, what is it?
You have to go to Starbucks and get a pink drink.
There's a Starbucks right here. Starbucks pink drink. I'm gonna come get you at iFly. You're done.
You have to get 10 pink drinks and then give 8 of them to a random stranger.
That's gonna take me forever, Salish.
That sucks, but save 2, 1 for me and 1 for Nidal.
Oh, you are going down the... She just hung up on me. That line was too long. There's another Starbucks in City Walk right next to iFly. Starbucks right there, so packed. Oh, that was smart, Salish. I got 20 minutes to get you. I have to get 10 pink drinks, give 8 of them away, bring 1 to Salish and Nidal before time runs out, or else they get my credit card. Can I please have 10 tall pink drinks? You're starting to spend my money already, say. You don't usually order 10, do you?
It broke my machine. Just kidding.
How long do you think?
12 minutes. And what name do you want on it?
Team Jordan. You think they could get that in 7 minutes?
I'm gonna put a rush on it.
I'm gonna give you a serious tip anticipating the 7 minutes, okay? That gets you 7 minutes. And if you don't do 7 minutes, I'll just come get that back, okay? All right, thanks. Are those pink drinks? Do you want those? You just bought them, you want them, right? You're not giving those away, right?
It's a different drink, because that one has coconut milk.
This is a pink drink. I have to give away pink drinks, no?
Strawberry acai.
All right, thank you anyway. Park closes in 15 minutes. If I don't get there by then, I automatically lose. There's 3 more. Thank you so much. Can I give you a high five? Can I give you a hug? Oh, yeah. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go. I've got free pink drinks. I have to give these away. Anybody want a free pink drink? Here you go. Grab this one. Here you go. There you go. That was fast. Here we go. That took me 30 seconds, Salish. Now I'm going to iFly. Does anybody know where iFly is? Oh, it's right there, and I got 7 minutes. Salish, I hope you've had an incredible day, a memorable day for the rest of your life. I'm sorry you're not going to get to use my credit card because I'm about to tag you, and I got 4 minutes left. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, hey, Kelly. I see you. I'm here. Hi, Salish. I'm going to come tag you now. How do I get in? How do I? Hey, Salish. Come here, get your pink drink. Dude, come on. Wait, hold on, can I? Hi, my daughter needs a pink drink. I need to give it to her in the next 2 minutes.
Sorry, the door's unopened.
Wait, no, what? No, are you joking?
No.
I can't get in there? If I don't tag her in the next 2 minutes, she gets my credit card. She can do it wherever she wants with it. Please, can you open it?
Unfortunately not.
Oh! Ah! You're kidding me. I've got like 30 seconds, please. She's right here. Ah! Oh! They're getting me crazy. 10 seconds. Please open the door, please. Excuse me. Can you open the door? Somebody open the door. No. I can tell by that smile she's had a blast all day, which is awesome, but only one question left. What is she gonna spend my money on?
Okay, ready?
All right.
3, 2, 1.
No way!
Isn't that cool? Of course, are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, let's go.
All right. Salish and Nidal used my credit card for 2 things. They went to iFly again and had the most awesome experience of flying together, and now they're gonna do a hot air balloon. So go to Nidal's channel to check it all out.
I also really like his personality. He's like a really daredevilish person, which is amazing because I also am. You're funny. You're nice. I'm trying to think. You know, he's just so overwhelmed by me in a good way. She's pretty.
Behind us are 25 gymnasts. Starting with a 1-year-old all the way to
a 25-year-old. They will compete in a series of elimination challenges, and the last one standing wins a huge prize.
This will be one of the most brutal challenges we've ever had on this channel.
I don't know if I can hold it much longer. My arms are tingling.
And we will find out who's the best gymnast out of 25 competitors.
Let the competition begin! Dude, that was my thing.
Sorry.
All right, all gymnasts on the balance beam.
Everybody balance on one leg. First 10 gymnasts to fall off the beam are eliminated.
And immediately they started helping each other.
You can hold on to each other. Teamwork is great. Help each other. Oh, okay.
Number 1 fell.
It looks like she's ready to leave, and she's gone now. But the challenge is far from over.
We have 1 down, 9 to go. Looks like number 2's having a hard time. Mom's giving a little help there. Oh, she wants to be done. Okay. Looks like number 3. Oh.
1, 2, and 3 are already eliminated.
Everybody's got their legs up. Okay.
And we still have to eliminate 7 gymnasts to move to the next challenge.
I think 12 looks really locked in.
It looks like there's some teamwork going on here.
We're helping each other, but honestly, I think it's because if one of us falls down, this is going to be really embarrassing for us.
How are you feeling? How's the leg?
Pretty confident. I think I got this.
Hold it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody put your leg down. How are you doing?
Good.
You think you're going to win this thing?
Yeah.
Who do you think is your biggest competition?
My sister.
Good luck. I'm rooting for you, 4.
I think she was like wobbling a lot earlier. I don't know if she's gonna stay on the beam, but I hope she does.
The next challenge, jump up and land back on the beam. No holding hands. 1, 2, 3. Oh. No. Okay, 1 went down, 2 went down.
6 and 7 just fell on jumping.
Great effort, so sorry. You guys are awesome. Let's give it up for 6 and 7.
Yeah.
If you're asking why there's so many kids in this competition, it's because Salish planned it in a way where anyone can win. But here's the catch.
I set up all of the challenges for the day, and they're just gonna get harder and harder.
On the other hand, the gymnasts will have multiple opportunities to increase the prize money.
You have to elect 1 person to speak for all of you. Go.
Low-key, they're gonna pick like 12.
Me? I'm okay. 21, opposite, you know? Me?
Hey, 21. The person they pick is gonna have to make a really hard decision.
Yeah. 20? I can do it.
All right, let me hear the number of the gymnast who's going to represent everybody.
20.
Oh, 20.
This is $200. I can give it to you right now, and you can choose to eliminate 2 of your teammates, or you get no money, and I will double the prize.
No money, double the prize.
Whoa! Right away! Way to teamwork! You didn't have to think about that?
I'd feel so bad voting someone out. I'd rather walk away with nothing than people hate me.
She's so nice! Alright, let's pour out the money. I've never held that much money or seen that much money.
Number 20 was a great teammate, but let's find out if everybody else is.
Apparently my trick is not working, but I know exactly who to tempt right now.
Do you want to keep it? Because you'd have to eliminate 2 people.
No.
Oh!
She's so sweet.
I'm kind of putting my money on number 4. Way to go. All right, I've just added another $100 to eliminate 2 of your teammates.
Oh, number 12 looks like she's thinking.
You'll still get to compete. Anybody.
Oh, he's gonna ask 12.
For $300, number 12.
I'll take the $300.
Do you want to eliminate 2 of your competitors, get yourself a better chance of winning?
Make it 1,000 and we can talk.
Oh.
My name's Avery. I'm 12 years old. My birthday's actually today, and I'm so excited. A lot of people say that I'm the biggest threat of the group, and I was like, why me?
Money doesn't work with these girls, so let's try the next challenge.
You have 30 seconds to switch places with a person next to you without falling or touching the ground. Starting right now, go!
All right, well, me and my friend, she lies down on the beam, and then I walk across her, and then we switch places, so they should do that.
Some of them are doing exactly what Salish said, but some of them are trying a little different technique.
Whoa! Oh, over here, this is looking bad. Oh, wait, these 2. This is not gonna go well. Oh, they're both gonna go over. No!
Oh, number 5 fell.
Oh, 5. Everybody give it up for number 5.
Yeah!
Sorry about that, 5. 4 is still in the mix. She might end up winning it all. You think you're gonna get past this round?
Yeah.
So do I. Next challenge, you have to hold a tuck support for 10 seconds. Starting right now, go. If anybody falls, they're eliminated.
When everybody is in position, I'm going to start the timer.
Keep your legs high. When I say go, you go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, you can do it. You got it. You can do it. Get your legs up.
And it's clearly super hard to keep yourself in this position. Even if you are very strong, you still have to deal with the entire beam shaking like crazy.
15 is done. Oh! Get your leg up. Just push yourself up. Just put your stand. Time. Oh, I'm so sorry you got eliminated. But you did such a great job. We're gonna have something nice for you, okay? Do you want me to help you down? Whoa, okay, just gonna go down. Okay, thank you so much.
We need to eliminate one more gymnast so we can go to the next round. And I know exactly how to do it.
Time for this, you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
That's right, a mystery box.
Whoever volunteers to be eliminated will get whatever is in that mystery box.
What if it's a dog? I volunteer. I want a dog.
What do you think's in there?
I hope money, but it could be just be a box.
It could be a box.
Yeah, there could be nothing.
Okay, well, I kind of want it.
Only one person is gonna win. The rest of you are gonna leave with nothing. Okay, so you're 8 years old. Do you feel confident that you can beat these older girls in a full competition?
I don't know.
Are you tempted to see what's in the box?
No.
Okay, you're debating it?
Yeah, because I don't think I'm gonna win.
You don't think you're gonna win? Why not?
Oh, I believe in 25. Bro.
I don't usually win things. I'm not very lucky.
Well, you could win something in that box, but I can't promise if it's any good. Could be $100,000 in there.
I'll do it.
You'll do it?
Yeah.
She did it!
She took it!
Go open your box, and then we're moving on to the next challenge.
Oh, cool. AirPods.
So not awful, but not incredible. Let's move on to the next round. Way to go.
The next round is a partner challenge.
So you each have 1 minute to find a partner. Go!
Okay, we should. Okay, yeah. Hopefully it's a
I wasn't lying when I said we only brought the best gymnasts to compete. Sophie's got a golden buzzer and was a finalist on America's Got Talent. And Anna is an insane contortionist and great gymnast. So as I said, the competition will be super tough.
I feel like you're gonna be really good. Yeah, we'll be great. We got it.
Woo! I think we'd be good together.
Yeah,
so we're around the same height.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. Okay.
There's an odd number of people, so one person isn't gonna have a partner.
Everybody with a partner, go separate into your partners.
You're my partner?
I can't do gymnastics, so I'm gonna give you an option here. This is $500. You can take the $500 and go eliminate one of them and be the other one's partner, or I will put it into the prize and you can go pick somebody who's already been eliminated to be your partner.
I would take the money and eliminate someone, because they left me out.
Look at everybody. All of these people, remember, none of them was willing to be your teammate. That's all yours if you choose to eliminate somebody. Would you like to keep this $500 or add another $500 to the prize? Which would you like to do?
I'm going to. Put this into the prize money.
No! This is a competition. They should be trying to win. That makes no sense.
So it's time to bring someone back to the game, and this is the way she decides to choose her partner.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a tiger by its tail. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe.
Let's see if it pays off in the end.
Thank you! She picked 15.
Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. We're definitely gonna win this now.
We'll see, because
The next round is going to be a wheelbarrow race with the added challenge of an obstacle course.
This isn't just a normal wheelbarrow race, because the ends they have to roll past the finish line, which makes it even harder.
The last 4 teams will be eliminated. Salish, who do you think's gonna win?
I think 11 and 12.
I'm going for 22 and 23 just because I've seen them in action. I know how fast they go. All right, guys, come on.
Team Jordan. Yeah,
Team Jordan, yeah.
Sure. Team Salish.
Hold on, what? What was that?
Huh?
They
That's
actually
a
say
Team
something?
Jordan. Yeah.
Team Salish.
The first 4 teams move on to the next round. The last 4 teams are eliminated. Are you ready?
Yeah. Yes.
1, 2, 3, go!
Go, go, go! 11's winning!
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
11, go, go, go! Yeah! Yeah!
Hold on! That was literally so close. We're replaying to see who got eliminated. That was close.
Oh yeah, it was them.
Okay.
I saw everybody at the finish line. So
We were last.
At least we did it. Yeah. Good job.
I don't know. I think that fall in the middle put us a few seconds behind. But
Sorry, guys.
We hope that.
Anna and Sophie are gonna get eliminated, and also I hope they do because they're some of our biggest competition.
Yeah.
I think we definitely passed because we beat Sophie and Anna. Hopefully they get eliminated.
Yeah, because they're like way more flexible.
We hope they get eliminated, but not in like a forceful way, you know. Yeah, nice.
And after a really long time going through all the footage, we had to make sure we're not being unfair to any of the competitors. It was finally time to give the results and see which teams are saying goodbye to the competition.
If Salish calls your numbers, step forward. You're moving on to the next round.
I'm sorry to whoever doesn't win. The first team, 8 and 13.
Okay, 8 and 13. Here we go.
We're 11 and 12.
11 and 12. Okay.
20 and 21.
20 and 21. Oh, okay. Now, everybody else, I'm so sorry. Only one more team made it, and it was so close. Oh my gosh. We played. It was just by a toe that this team made it. For the final slot, call the numbers, please, Salish.
22 and 23.
Oh, 22 and 23 by this much. Yo, moving on to the next round. Move over that way. Wait. Those of you that were eliminated, wait. You guys go there. Do you think they made the wrong choice?
No, it's okay.
Be honest. Be honest. Between us, do you think you should have taken that $500?
Maybe.
How are you doing?
I'm a little like sad. She fell, but I was holding her weakly. It was kind of my fault.
Well, that's amazing to take responsibility, but it's nobody's fault. You guys gave it your best. How are you doing?
I'm pretty upset, honestly, but we tried our best.
Well, guess what? You might have a chance to move on because I have another challenge for you. Come on into the center. All of you, come to the center. Can you do this thing? Because this is awkward.
Oh no, this is way too sad. I'm gonna go watch over there. Bye, good luck, have fun.
This whole video is inspired by our Mr. Beast video, so I kind of have to do this. Okay, again, I'm sorry. Half of you are gonna get to go back into the game and play. You each have 5 minutes to pick one of the two of you to eliminate.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. This is such a Mr. Beast move.
You can figure out however you want, but in 5 minutes, one of you from each team is eliminated. And I'm so sorry that I just did this to you. I'm gonna leave now before you throw like tomatoes at me. Bye.
I feel so bad, guys.
This is really hard, but they get to decide how to eliminate one person from each pair.
Handstand, like against the wall? Okay, good luck.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, 10.
I'm sorry, Emma. Good job.
My head is filling up. I don't know if I can hold it much longer.
If they can't decide within these 5 minutes, then they're both gonna get eliminated.
I was not expecting this.
I feel like you would progress a lot more than I would.
No, I mean, you like wanna eliminate yourself? You're positive. Oh my gosh. Back handsprings for 30 seconds and see who can do the most.
Deal?
Deal.
Even though 24 rescued 15 earlier, this time they're letting skill decide who will advance and who will be eliminated.
Go.
My arms are shaking. My arms are tingling.
15. Time.
18 and
15. Good job.
I hope you win.
This is it.
Oh, I'm giving up. My arms are tingling. Good job.
Good job.
Better win.
Now that we have 4 gymnasts back, let's see how long they last in the next challenge.
Mr. Beast has done a ton of videos like this, so we were inspired by him, but wanted to do it with gymnastics. And shout out to Anna and Rebecca because they've done awesome videos like this and you should totally check them out. Their challenges are gonna keep on getting harder and harder.
We've separated you into 3 groups of 4.
First, you guys each have to pick a team captain.
I think you should go first.
I don't know what this means, but I really hope I don't let you guys down. She's the team captain. The youngest is the team captain. Yes. She's the best tumbler.
They made a calculation because we cleared the floor that it's a tumbling pass. We'll see what happens.
Hopefully I don't eliminate someone.
If you have to eliminate anyone, you can eliminate me.
Okay, who do we think can carry the team? Are you sure? I honestly think you could do it.
You have to
You're
do a
fine.
layout, okay?
Okay.
And if you win, then you get to give me half.
How about no?
They think we're going for a skill competition, but it's time to throw them another curveball.
Each team captain, you have 1 minute to eliminate a team member.
What? Can we eliminate ourselves?
No, you cannot eliminate yourselves.
This is brutal. I just got back in.
If I was team captain, then I would eliminate the toughest competition in my team.
We're doing a handstand competition. Go! Come on, you got this! It's number 12's birthday today. I would feel so bad if she gets eliminated.
Anna's group decided to do a handstand contest to determine who's eliminated. The other groups chose to just make the hard decision. It's up to these captains now.
It looks like 24 might be going down. Come on, you got this 24! No! Good job. I'm so sorry. This is such a hard challenge.
I feel so bad for her. She for sure thinks that she should have just taken the 500.
We both go to the same gym, and it would be like super weird if I eliminated her and I would have to see her the next day. Come up.
I'm in.
19, I am so sorry.
You guys win it for me. Win it for me.
I'm so sorry. This is hard. But this is what Mr. Beast would do, right? But Salish made me do it.
No, I didn't.
She didn't make me do it, but I'm sorry.
I'm saying you. I'm sorry.
I did tell her that she can eliminate me. Good luck, Rue. I volunteer as tribute.
I kind of had my money on her to win the whole thing.
One of them deserves it.
It's not just the skill challenges that will be harder from now on.
There's going to be a lot more hard decisions to make.
Okay, that was brutal. I'm sorry that you had to eliminate. I'm in the middle of like trying to have an emotional moment. You want some of this? I quit. Okay, I get it. You win. This is going to be a standing back tuck endurance test. Whichever captain gets tired first and quits, that team is eliminated. All three of you.
Each captain will win or lose it for their teammates. That's a lot of pressure.
Oh my gosh.
I'll try my best for you guys.
I would much rather be the captain in this situation because I feel like I can tumble. It might not be good, but I can tumble.
One of 9 of you is going to win a ton of money. No pressure. But if you lose, all of you lose.
You can do it, Tad.
They picked you because you're the best tumbler. You feeling okay about this?
My money is on number 8. She's a really good tumbler.
Trust your skills. You can do it.
If you don't do your back tuck, when you hear your number, you're automatically eliminated. Your team loses. 8, 10, 22, 8, 10, 22. Yeah, everybody.
I'm so proud of them. They're doing really good.
8, this is exciting. 10. Oh!
Hey! She almost fell on that one, but she saved it.
2. Yes, 8. 10.
Let's go.
Oh, wow. 22. Yes, 8. 10.
You got it. Let's do it. You can do it. Come on.
No! Oh, that was so good! Good work! That was an incredible competition, 10. You worked so hard. You're so talented. I hate to say this, but this team is eliminated. Stick with gymnastics. You guys are all incredible. Let's give it a big up.
That was extremely stressful for her, but she did a great job.
And now it's down to 6.
The next challenge is really hard. So if you want to eliminate yourself, you can have $200.
I don't want to get $200 because I think I'm gonna win.
Thousands versus hundreds. I think I'll go with thousands.
I know exactly who should get this $200, so I'm gonna eliminate myself.
Wait, really? Wait, who are you giving it to? What?
I think you should get this because you did so good in this competition. I'm so impressed. I can't believe you're only 10 years old. Good job.
She was not expecting that. What a sweet surprise.
That's awesome. The next challenge is going to be super difficult, so I'm going to give you a chance to take a pass on that round. In order to take your pass, you're going to have to win a flexibility challenge against our guest star, Eliana Walmsley. Good luck with that. Everyone is going to have to do a needle like this. Ow, whoa.
I don't know if you're the right demonstrator for this.
Okay, she's right. Let's see what it's supposed to look like.
Oh boy, okay.
Oh, wow. Guys, I used to have a good needle, but I don't have that anymore.
If you can get your leg up that high, you skip this round. Oh. Okay, that's not looking, that looks like me. Oh, that's better than me, okay.
That was good.
Get it up there, straight up.
Just grab. Got it. Come on, one more.
Oh,
Number 12 didn't go too well.
oh, this might have a chance. Oh, that was so close.
8 might have a really good chance, because when you're small, it helps you a lot with flexibility.
Here we go. Get it up there. Oh, no!
But I guess not in her case.
Nobody can beat Eliana, so everybody has to do the next round. Here we go.
All right, so Carson used some self-tanner last
I
night.
did.
It's a little splotchy, right? So guys, should I try that so I don't look like a ghost? Because you used to look like a ghost and now you just look boring. Oh my gosh, Carson, that's so bad. I think I would rather be a ghost than be that splotchy. Bye, Carson. Thank you.
What is gymnastics about more than anything else?
Sticking.
No, it's not about sticking. It's about teamwork. It's about your teammates sticking it.
No, it's about winning, I think.
Well, this challenge is about teamwork, so could you just chill?
Yeah.
I'm going to give all of you a chance to prove what a great...
I just want to figure out who's going to win.
I'm trying to talk over here, Salish.
Okay, well, I'm also trying to talk.
You want to just give it a minute so I can give them their challenge?
You want to give it a minute?
No, this is my channel.
Is it?
It's got my name.
No.
You know what? No, I don't want to go through this again.
Oh my gosh.
Right now, the prize is $2,500. It's a lot of money. If one of you chooses to eliminate yourself right now, I will double the prize to $5,000 for the other 4 that are remaining.
$5,000 is a lot of money.
I want this jackpot. I just turned 21 and I have a dream career that I want to build so bad.
I'm going to college next year and this money would just really help me to pay for college.
I love gymnastics. I could do it like every single day.
She's level 5. She works hard. It's expensive. I'm a blue collar worker. I'm an electrician. I have to work double. I have to work overtime.
Because she loves this sport so much.
We just got to sacrifice.
You could be a great teammate and give the rest of them a chance to make $5,000, or you can stay in it yourself. What do you want to do?
I want to give them it, but I feel like I want to stay in.
Who do you think is your toughest competitor?
Number 12.
Number 12?
Guys, I think number 8 could win.
I think I should stay in.
You think you have a shot too, right?
Yeah.
Well, I already know what number 12 is going to say.
I'm staying in.
You're staying in.
Even though I would like to be a good teammate, I think I could really win it.
I thought she might eliminate herself.
I want this so bad, but I'm thinking about these girls. I want them to stay in gymnastics and have a long career in it, so I think I'm going to give it up.
No. Are you kidding me right now?
No.
Oh my gosh.
They're so talented. I have to.
You're leaving with nothing, you know.
I know.
Give it up. That is incredible.
Thank you. You guys deserve it.
Wow. I like her.
Well, that was a shocker.
The more that I heard the parents talking, I've realized how expensive gymnastics is, and I've been in their shoes. I want these kids to have a long career in gymnastics, so it just made sense to give it to them.
I don't know if I would have done that if I was you, but you're so nice and good job. You did really well.
Next round is a game of back tuck, stick it off the beam.
You can touch the line, but your feet can't cross it.
Whoever has the least points at the end of 3 rounds is eliminated. All right, let's give it up. Let's give it up. Stuck it, 1 point.
Yay!
Okay, you're also gonna go for 1. Oh.
You got it. You got it.
Yes! 1 point, okay. So far it's tied. Number 12, here we go. Oh, she's going for 2. For 2 points to take the lead if you stick it.
You got it.
Yes, she came in! Her heel was right on the edge but didn't go over. Wow! She takes the lead with 2.
12 is in the lead by 1 point.
17, you want to take the lead with a 3?
I'm going to play it safe and I'm going to go with 2.
I believe in you. For the tie. Oh, no!
That was so close.
That's okay. We have a very tight competition, round 2. What is motivating you to stay in this competition?
I just want to win the money for my family.
Aww. Maybe she's gonna win this whole thing. Who knows? Here we go. Number 8. She snuck it! Number 8 is in the lead with 3 points.
I want to help out my family and I want to save some up.
Salish, what would motivate you?
No, I probably want to buy a lot of things. No, I'm just kidding.
Over! Oh, you stuck it too, but way over! Oh,
no! This is disgusting shoe. Let's test how durable these are. Ready?
Pay attention.
Oh, sorry.
Now, what needs to happen? Action. Ow.
Something happened. Ow!
What do you want to do?
again.
She only needed 1, and she would have been guaranteed to go to the next round. She's going for 2 to win it, I guess.
Got it.
Oh! You are officially moving on to the next round. Congratulations, yeah!
3 weeks ago, I was having a competition and I was on floor and then I forgot to salute and then the judges started laughing at me. But then I saluted.
You have 1 point. You need to stick this to get 3. Oh, this is gonna come down to the last one. Number 12 doesn't even need it, so she's going for 3.
That box is super small, but she's going for 3 points to try to pull ahead.
What? Oh my gosh, okay.
8 and 12 moved on and they did really well.
If you don't stick this, 11 is moving on. If you do stick it, 11, you're eliminated. How you feeling?
Nervous.
You're nervous. Okay, I'm nervous too for both of you. You could tie with a 1, and then it would be a sudden draw.
I'm gonna go for the 2.
Yeah, let's go for the 2. Go ahead. Don't let me distract you. Are you good?
Not anymore.
Breathe through it.
Where'd the shoe go?
Say, that's distracting.
And you're not distracted?
This is for $5,000, Salish. Don't throw anything at me. Don't whistle. Okay, here. Everybody calm. Take your time. Oh, no! Oh, my God.
No!
17, you're eliminated. I'm so sorry.
You guys are gonna be so good. That means we have 3 gymnasts left. Only one of them is getting $5,000.
Next round, front tuck ring dive challenge.
Oh, that's hard.
We are eliminating 1 person. Here we go. Say, seriously?
What?
You can't turn your ringer off?
No.
We're down to the final
I don't
3.
get any important calls. I mean, I know you don't get very many because, I mean, you don't have very many friends.
Because
But unlike you, I need to make sure I get my calls. Yeah.
Moving on.
If the hula hoop was right here, you won't have enough height to flip out of it.
All right, why don't we test with you first? Go.
What? It's too high. See?
There we go.
You've done so well so far, and it's your birthday, so you got this.
Slay.
Let's go, Avery.
Okay.